Alright, wait, Sierra, chat, Sierra. Hey, no better screen record this blood clot, yeah. Guess.
Yo.
Rosealee said, you are one of the blood clot victims when me grape. You and him guess where my mother grew up.
Listen, me there work, me can't. You really make Rosealee dry out?
Rosealee can't jam me out because you know the blood clot bad. They say you know more Rosealee head get chop off, you have to chop off. Rosealee go suffer.
No, Brawley, not this point for true.
But me just want, I mean, I follow him up. Because if him go certain levels in me charge.
It can't reach really far, so just don't follow up. Like, it can't reach far.
In a place, me have people in a place and me have to play no mind. You say you're a victim, so more you talk about you're a victim, because I know them a screen record.
But, no, this, I'm not I work, I can't be bad. I Jake Stone, I really want wine pan. Oh, you for rape me?
You want wine pan?
That is it. I don't understand.
Rosealee, my little sister, want wine pan your man.
A Jake Stone want to rape me. Like, rape me real bad.
Man, hey, make paper sauce, make sure you screen record this. Member chat. Rose say guess. See her there. Say she are one of the victims them. When me grave. So see him there, my sister when my mother have friend in blood clot lick so. So see her blood clot there. And she then say me grave, see her there. Yes.
No,
yes.
Sir.
Yes,
Yo.
You know, we cannot go over in live and go up in the box and ask me so when you are more like about me grave.
That's if she not black, my class are used to up on the live, and I'm not moderate them.
Oh, you're the class, yeah. Maybe she black.
Stop following up to Rosealee, because you look so, it can reach really far. And as I say, a Drake Stone want to rape me.
With that bright blood clot self. I say yesterday when he call up Naji blood clot name and I go and say, I pity you to know what swing over here.
Oh God, man. If ever
I to know what swing over here little blood clot so I hit same time in the house.
And our Peppa Pig picking them can't come near my niece, no day, no time. Naji well alright and well taken care of.
Big stinking blood clot thinking girl we want beard. You think like a shit. The blood clot guess ya. The guess in the box.
She favor the man from the first oats box.
And who will send him Tiffany and Peter and Pinky? More and they come up here and tell me. When me and them in a blood clot, pussy clot and fuck position. Don't see him there. So me make sure I say see you yourself. Come on, me make sure me add you if ask you. And that's why I call it this morning.
I true me there work. I see and mommy text me. I can't believe I really follow up. What the fuck Rose mean by it? What Rose about family?
Me have to follow him.
From bad to worse. That's when they depend on media, you make dirty people take certain dirty step, you know, because them drunk, you live 100 million times better than them, you know, big stinking sour power Rose.
I feel like I'm making get one half a dozen box cross in blood clot yes temple.
Tell her stop call up my name, yeah?
They can't charge me get box down. They can't charge me, they have to go charge who box him down. They have to go charge who box him down. And I feel like I'm making get one half a dozen box cross in face, swell up your whole line blood clot mouth. And they can't charge me for that and a brawling me attack. Anna, don't tell me about stop me, baby. I tell you, say I'm brawling me attack. Tell me, I tell you, they can't charge me for that. They have to charge you box him down. Different people are different. Me suck out the mama Rosealee. You big and stink like our. Yeah, your teeth in black clot, man. You pickpocket and grab chain.
Yeah.
You know, so you about blood clotting.
Jake Stone. Jake Stone, I want boom off.
A she name guess. A she name guess. A madman in a real life, Rosealee. You better remember and know that blood clot. Don't make your internet fool, you know. Big stinking girl. Go and follow people with their blood clot far in your dung. A big stinking girl.
So up our Rose.
I see you there. Like 14 parish. Suck out the woman girl.
I go over them. I go over her like.
If you're not black, you can go up in the box.
Alright.
Alright.
Come over here and talk about somebody in a box. My sister, nothing.
Yeah.
Just add the person
Yeah.
of 100 that she have.
Yeah.
140 followers. The person will just join TikTok. Just join TikTok. Yesterday or whenever.
I can't just go to no.
Tell the person if they send, follow him back.
Me say, me, a new pages, me can't just go to tonight, yeah. Me can't drive go a town up and my sister yard and I get up. Me can't drive go a Denham town tonight, yeah.
Not a sister.
Yeah.
Not a sister, nothing. Over there, attack what they want to talk.
Big stinking buttercup. Suck out your mama, girl.
That is the person's sister. God, good evening. Yes, miss. I just want to say this to you, Rosealee. Me not been really business with the argument. Me not come up with an argument. But just I say, at any time we're living in, and let me tell you something. God are calling people them.
Me fix up Rosealee, man, brawling.
And ask God to forgive them.
Without apology, man. I will text me and tell them about that. Me fix him.
Right? It not sound so right.
Suck out the woman, Rosealee. That's somebody, girl.
Who would be like God for judge us according to what?
They tell you about it. Me say me can get up and drive go a blood clot town. No, for my sister yard when me know he come from work. Remember a fast car me drive 1, 2, and 3. Anyone of them me go in a quick at all. Quick up there.
I don't know what we liar gone.
Marie, with the blood clot here, come and me I call to Marie. Me dey for my life, man. What you want? Me not no money, you know. Oh, so you want 2 bills, yeah? Buy 1 juice. You alright?
Yeah, try to iron.
Go and take it easy, man. And about stress yourself too much. Everything good?
Yeah, try.
Alright. Sir, come back, man, with me and money, yeah?
Serious.
Yeah.
Exactly. This is serious. This is very, very serious. I said I have to jump out of your box, but me have to talk off the ear.
Move cripple, girl. Suck out the mama talk, but off here. Talk.
Very deep. It deep.
Talk.
Just fuck. Yeah. It deep. It's very deep.
How we fix this one?
It's very deep. So we can't. We have to let me tell this lady. It's a lot of them camouflage themselves for us.
How we fix this one?
For time, if them get back up in our corner where them can't come out there where you have to dig them out of, then you don't know them true. Them come and them deflect. Like what this lady has said, the word Moab said, deflect all the time. And then now, for you come on them side, we say, oh, but him couldn't come over here and talk so, and he really could have been a deep rose. Bare face. That's what all time people said them bare face. I'm wicked. You just don't ball out my eye. Anybody will know me not
Go ball out your big cripple pussy thinking, girl. Go ball out your big dirty cripple blood clot cell for your man cripple. Go suck out the mama, girl. We can't fix him, I know if we fix it. I try to fix him, we can't fix it. I know if we fix it. You
understand me? No matter that, because them are going to come in the light. Them in the darkness and somebody will deep road. It's deeper than TikTok.
Can't fix it. Deeper than TikTok. Remember you?
They mess up in my life yet. It's deep road. It's deep. It's deep.
Talk. We are going to WhatsApp the planet about talk.
Deep. It's very deep.
Play with who, man? Play with Rosealee Rose, man. A dead Rose dead to me, you know. Play with Rosealee Rose, you know idiot?
It's very deep.
Leave back with Rosealee Rose.
And it's very disgusting. It's very disgusting. It's deep, but as I say, you have to go hear it behind.
I don't think it's deeper than your big hole.
You can't hear it. Because me I tell you, say, it's deep.
Talk.
Like, I'm going to send him a number. No, it's deep, bro. I have to hear it deep. As some crazy thing this. Me never know say some them people exist. It's deep, Rose. It's deep.
You don't talk, man. Girl, to be chatting, man.
It's very deep.
I don't know if you take the box them, bro. I'm here trying to come down.
Him can't say it's not. Him know what true. Him know what true.
I don't know if you take down
Him know
this,
what
bro.
true. So I know where you going to add this in the box. But remember, so we hear say, Mama pay off y'all already.
You just say I'm not real good.
We add this in the box to come say, remember we hear say, Mama love pay off y'all already. You remember when I say, what I'm arguing? This is what me I say. You remember when I say, what a stepsister and sister? Yes, I'm stepsister. I'm mother, man, daughter. A stepsister and sister.
They're stupid. Madam and daughter, they're stupid.
It's very deep. You know, it's deep, Rose.
It's stupid.
You never hear them as something yet. It's deep, like some terrible things.
Come on, man, keep up your pace. Not slow down.
The story wrong because I stepsister and sister.
Yeah. So you hear them a black you wrong.
It's deep, Rose.
So all along them a black you wrong. They not black you right.
It's bigger than TikTok.
Bigger than your hole, man. Bigger than your big hole. Cripple blood clot blind girl. Bigger than your hole thinking girl. But talk about your blood clot husband where we have mugshot for blood clot rape and pedophile.
When they come off my life, so me I tell you it's deep.
Go talk about your husband where they have pedophile and mugshot and foreign where blood clot fuck up the little people them.
No, hey, our prayers with you always. And like I said, people are here to help. People are.
How me can't fix the box, man?
Okay. Stay safe, guys.
How me can't fix the box? I mean, I like how this look good. This all look good enough.
It's very, it goes.
All of the pan deep, like a big pussy. So we gonna talk more about chatting. We can't take chatting. We cannot talk. You just a chat about deep. But yeah, they go in WhatsApp now, go plan up and come. When I go plan up and come back with more news something. Eh?
Bring down. You drop me.
Here.
Nobody's here worried and bringing down.
And then I like it was other people are coming at the back and disrespect and everything there. You know what's crazy about it? You don't see males going in Jabass box to say, listen, if that really happened, I don't respect it.
Move batty blood clot, man, and go batty, man. Move shit up blood clot, boy. Move church out batty whole blood clot, boy. Move a dirty batty man blood clot and go. Pussy hole. Come down and go drunk crow. I'm gonna think about your big dirty hole where you church out batty boy. Saddam and blood clot Magaro. Morago. Where the name? Magama. Saddam and where the blood clot thing name? Saddam and Mogama. Saddam and where the bomber class up name? Saddam and Mogama. Where's up name?
It's very good.
Where blood clot up name? Saddam and Madam Goma. Where's up name? Saddam and Madam. When Saddam and Gomaro go suck out your mama.
When the woman up here talk a while ago, she have head under her bed and she have ball and all it hurt my heart.
I know me cause him fi go under bed. Talk about me. Here Dali Atanshi she no. Here hot girl Dali Ashanti she. Here hot girl Dali Ashanti she.
Nobody knew that I was struggling mentally. Nobody knew somebody want to take me when I like.
You should have do it. You should have do it. In moment your blood clot cut out your wood and put in pussy, you should have killed yourself. Cause you're not happy. You're sad.
I'm big man, I come here, me, little Kevin, me, for fuck.
Go ahead. You lie blood clot, yo.
So it disturbs you, but there's so many ways to angle a situation like this. Some people,
yo, all this fix me mash up, you know.
Him can't go through the same, him can't probably go through something like that similar to him can't go through.
Let me see if we can add somebody back and
probably
fix.
somebody that man I do him things to when him younger and him end up starting back to him one of blood clot sister name. It don't imagine a woman just come up to her 50 and the woman have
just somebody a while ago big cocky Jabass fan see a page and she black me and black Sia. Big up yourself, Jabass. I want Jabass funny black cloud and never.
I try fix it back, finest booty, and it can't fix.
One Jabass funny up and never two.
I eat a
What you
mad
said,
them.
Jabass?
I eat a mad them.
This is not some of
One Jabass funny up and never two. Everybody love Jabass right now. I work me there and a Jabass keep me going. She black me and me no feel no way. She black me and me no feel no way because of Jabass was the entertainment, not her.
Yeah, HIV over there, chat.
Jabass. Jabass, I'd see her. See her so for other. Me and see her work the same place. She there not. She send her a request. See her there.
Where they see her? Never want to team up in a castle with a worry aquarium, you know.
It's send. She did that.
I'm the alone with a worry aquarium.
One Jabass.
I'm the alone with a worry aquarium.
Guys, Jabass great me and I loved it. Pushing cat down in a me hole, down in a me throat. I loved it, guys. I best great me get. Jabass, can you come great me again, baby?
Yeah, yourself. I mean, let me
I
see
do what me done.
Me not see tired body see ya.
Jabass saying Nancy, you can't see request and make me send me back. Can't sleep.
Oh, me see. When you can sleep, I eat that, you can
Oh,
sleep.
alright.
Papi show you
You cancel. You're there. You're disrespect. You know cancel. Jabass, oh you say you see it, you're not a the girl.
Me didn't see but he that take it back down a while ago. Tell him to send it back.
Can't sleep.
blood clot.
Send it back. Sleep there now, Jabass. She send it back. We love Jabass. We gonna always fight with Jabass till the end. We love Jabass. Jabass keep me going. In this work, yeah, we out for mad me. Jabass keep me going.
You don't sleep
Jabass no
comfortable,
watch.
you got a bed dirty and think. You want a new bed that make people contribute for you over there.
Me say Jabass. Me say me dey work. And me say irks me heart. You dey talk about you over there, Jabass. Me have to go do some Rosealee.
We aunt.
We
Big and stink. In big and stink like a shit.
Jabass. I lie Rosealee I tell.
Yo.
Jabass make some party rose black me. Jabass need to follow me at least do that thing.
Jabass have to follow me. Car Rose black me.
Up go up right top where gambling party.
Somebody say, oh, she fi sleep when she not bed.
Rosealee bad mind, Rosealee bad mind, Rosealee bad mind till him black.
Today I bring down big stinking Rosealee, man. I remember you bring down.
Rosealee bad mind till him black.
Yeah, you want one blind one.
Huh? Yeah, she a problem person.
I tell me over here bring down, cause kill them then can blood clot timid me and make me shake, I make me free.
I want to go on when him TikTok liar, I want to go on fear make I bring her down too. Make up Mr. Jabass, I want to bring them down because they not make you, they not run your fire.
Hold on. Listen. How me force myself on a girl where I tell me if you name her? You know don't? If you even go so then, and say me name me pussy then. See? So if she allow me to name me pussy, all that gonna make me capable of graping then. And you want me to name me pussy?
You know, she said they don't have no sense.
Dunce.
No,
support the mama Mona. Support the mama Mona. Mona, you're tough and all the blood class. Support the mama Mona.
Jabass, you have to go bring me down, you know. I'm in a business because on your big page, you have to go follow me because the rose black me. Make me a to go.
Yeah, man. I go do that, man.
Jabass, make sure you follow me.
Me come back up in the box again and if you want disgrace me in a business.
Hold on.
Give me a follow.
Hold on, make me follow it. Make the bomb back out to not happen. Make me follow it. So, let's see me a little mix up. So.
It makes sense. And why should I go so far to embarrass myself? Because she associated with him. Exactly. That wouldn't make any sense. So that's what I was trying to say all along. Like, they don't listen. Because I tell her from the beginning, straight back to the end, she just said she got the church. See, I tell me, say she was sit down and make up all of that. She says she knows him. She says she knows him. And she knows he's capable of doing it. Yes, she said she got the church to Rose.
Girl, me I see you over there, no, me I see you.
She don't go and make up all of that. And the big stretch out, whatever company line attack one bag of shit. You sometimes them don't listen, like, why would she go so far to say she associated with the church and she don't want to mention the pastor? Come on now. People that can't listen, I'm not better for them.
And then you can know when people kill somebody capable of it.
Go AIDS, Ashanti, you're full of AIDS like a dog. Go AIDS, girl. You're so dead. AIDS are gonna kill you.
Mighty God.
Who's guessing the comments? Yes, Miss. Hola, yes, Miss.
Suck out your mother. I want Jabass.
Brawling, my dog. Suck out your mother, Rosealee. Suck out your mother. I'm a town friend them. Bad we bad in a real life, pussy.
Them love tell people about suck out their mother, them not mother too.
A brawling badness, man. Go name out your mama, Rosealee.
Them not better for them about suck out mother.
You see when the dog them a call me from around in your place, so they want to come lick in your face, but should they come lick in your face, but should have allow them. Big pussy idiot girl.
Yes,
your teeth in, man.
Nobody can just get up and just look by a big allegation. If it not go so, it nearly to go so. So when you come here so, come tell me. When you come here so from ask the question.
Yes, him a call over there, go on over there. Talk certain things.
No, you know like you can look on a man and say, him look TV, not go so.
Me a thief. We never grape, me a thief.
Look TV, not go so.
We never grape nobody, but
Jabass, why all of a sudden when you and Rosealee are in friends, she never define them as something? Yeah? Why I know when time you not deal with her because she bad mind, she come with all of this?
Let me tell you, if you like you can bring me down. May I show you every day I'm fire with you.
Me know. Jabass, me depend your life every day.
Every day I'm over here with you.
Every day me depend your life.
Slim T, big up.
Jabass, you keep it going. God knows. Don't get yourself another problem too, Rose.
First, yes.
First place. First place. Suck out tomorrow. They can't bring me down. When I have a team of million now, when I have a team of, and I still can't bring me down. You can't take all me have. Big sour girl. Big thinking girl. Guess me know you're in the lunchroom. Go on over there.
Just come and clear him name then.
Go on over there. Me know you're in the lunchroom. Take 5 minutes. Go over there. But me pay somebody act like this. Me say me alright. Me go drive go a town this evening. Yeah. Me a go a town.
Rosealee, let me say.
Me a blood clot go a town. Up blood clot there. Since you don't see a fake page, me a go a town up there. GX fuck you and fuck everybody in your house. Everybody fucking in your house, big stinking girl. Everybody fucking in your house. Your mother, you, every fucking body.
You come on the platform as I must say him innocent. When I come clear name, when the people that are.
Me the live bitch. When time when I call up me name, me been on for internet, I make money. Go suck on no mama idiot. Done.
He come here to play funds and games in the shenanigans. You know the company the live and say, if I'm Shein 9-year-old and fuck her off, I put a pipe in her own. I up until today 50 she traumatized. She can't sleep on her bed. She can't sleep on her bed. It take a toll on her.
Actually in bed uncomfortable, in bed dirty like a fear. You have to sleep on that bed too, because your bed think.
So them come here for mock people. I am guilty. But Jabass, but they never start their life. You shame like a dog.
Me shame for true. Me shame for true. Me shame.
You know, it was like last week or a couple live ago. The first part of me come I think what would happen? Jaden and him. I don't know if anybody get to see the live. You remember when the girl come up and the girl was next to Jaden and I ask her, I wish you know Jaden from. And the girl looked like she feel uncomfortable the way he was looking at her. You never see that.
Yeah, you said that.
Right.
And the whole way a friend.
And the girl, like him say.
The girl them talk about the whole way a blood clot friend. Don't? Then don't?
With me. I'm gonna say. I'm gonna put two and two together. Say, well, why am not try? Like him try to get one int. So if I like the girl, but everybody was saying a lot of bad things in the comment. I said, I want the girl
Eat boss.
Yo.
You know you say me follow you and start damn pussy now, you.
Gumbo class. Yeah, welcome. Welcome, Gumbo class. How would that over the Saturday?
Big dirty Rosealee in the aquarium.
Brother, Jabass, I want to your dog.
You do what?
I can't follow up this.
Then me not fi build up my page. I want to. Remember, say next page can go live, you know. We have serious. We continue, you know.
Yeah.
Follow me there, do. Who don't want to follow me? Go suck out to no mama come off. We don't give a fuck who no want to say.
So you can't play a match now?
What you mean? Go live now?
No, me eat something now. You see. So.
Jaden, big up yourself.
Yeah.
Big up.
Big C.
Yo, I passed that. Load that.
Big C.
Yo, I passed that. When I load that, man.
No, man, I tell Big C we put honey in it. That's what you like it.
Bro, she not there, bro.
That was girl that laughing in your background.
No girl not laughing in my background.
Let me follow up page, Jaden. Jaden, come live now, my youth. Remember, say me stress out now, man. What have me back now, dog?
Huh?
Come live now, man. Go help me, youth. Remember, me stress out. Them a gang me.
Ladies, if you want a man, just know I'm single. So Jabass. So Jabass. What am I talking over there, so now?
Oh, them a say, me a whole heap of victim, and me a gunman, and me a rape, and me a nyama.
Jesus Christ. Watch on now. Achoo. Yeah, achoo. What else? What else am I come with?
I say, my sister when I victim, I had my sister in the box, and my sister saying one Jakes because rape him within town.
Yo, build up a page, man. Build up a page.
That me I do.
Yeah, build up a page.
So, me say, I 27, me can come back live on the big page. Yes. I say more up here. Pour me. I say me have a gathering. No hole in my ring, none. No hole in my blood clot ring, no hole. No hole in my chain. No hole in my chain, nothing. But you dead, me can hear them and say, Lord God Almighty, what this? The battery dead pan this year. So
That's my thinking Rosealee go.
yes.
Yes, Rosealee want bed.
Cuss him to one. Team up.
Yeah, me ready. 1, 2, 3, active.
Let's go!
Pussy me mute.
Oh. No, you're not mute.
Big stinking Rosealee. Your bad mind to your block.
Yes.
Rosealee, you need to get up out of the middle of the bed, Rose. You need to get up. Come and see you sit down pan picture. In the middle of the bed, and you're not
like a wrestler.
Like a wrestler, yes.
Big
That's how to take off. Yes. Big dirty Rose, you need to come off of the app because you're not an entertainer. The only thing you do on the app is cuss. And bring down people. You know, make no little move in a life, you're not going with nothing in a life, you're just dead. So you're working little money, so you're begging little money, and so you go a poker back. What you say? Just no so
Yeah. Big back
Rose. Living work what we do, Jabass.
Rose.
Right.
Big back Rose. Leave the friend Jabass alone. And
Right,
then
so.
you angry over here.
Are you keep going, Jabass? I live in work with them.
Hold on, I don't know. I didn't come here to bring me down with that box. Look, I share food.
You can't bring it down. You can't bring it down with there. Where your backup?
Well, yes.
Where your internet backup? You have your real life backup, but we have the internet backup with there.
Right.
Right.
They have to back Jabass.
We have to back Jabass.
Yeah.
Yo, you know me know Rosealee bad mind.
Yeah.
Remember we have to the match, bro. I'm gonna shoot for you. See? And you're not start play. See that if me a shoot for you. You know what you do? Come in and talk about you. Boy, you have to be my moderator.
Oh, you want to see a shoot for me, my text the boy want you to be moderator.
What's bad mind? Jabass.
Bad mind, brother.
Maybe I should make your page get banned.
Let them report
Bad man, Rose.
Let them report the naked. Let them do it.
Rose. Me have to go angry you. When you leave your friend Jabass alone, you know. Alright.
You know what's a Rosealee bad mind, brother. I'm not telling a lie. You see it?
I love bad man, brother. I hope I want him to get charged. But look at him. I hope I want him to get bought him, bro. I hope by time people link me differently, I say, bad man, stop play a girl, brother. Brother, I had my bad friend, them brother, tell me, say, yo, dad, what you know? Lower fire for that girl, you know.
But Jabass, from Triple and Jaden days, you know, she said, Rosealee bad mind. Anybody that win Rosealee like that kind of worthless.
Me know say a blood clot corruption. Me know say a blood clot corruption.
You say head big like a pit bull dog? Rosealee worthless. Head for them big old pit bull dog.
Here where I do no. I might get my use. Here when do no. You go in the battery department. Cause you know me have a
good night, everyone.
Me know have a bonfire upon the me have a trouble and a bonfire upon the battery department. So you go in a hit now. Team up with them. Do them like a WhatsApp group and then they come.
You can't cuss them, so we cuss out them.
Every man come about this deep. So I'm going to check WhatsApp. You know what I want? One explainer for come again.
Good night, everyone.
I don't know which how far from. Take the parachute off of your back.
Fuck out your woman, Rosealee. The mother and the whole line, man.
Again, good night, everyone.
Yeah?
Good night.
Good night,
Jabass, how are you?
Oh, yeah.
Jabass,
Yeah?
how are you?
I'm brilliant, darling. I'm excellent over magnificent.
Okay. I know that you're a child of God.
Yes.
So I'm going to have to tell you what the Bible say. But I'm just going to give you a little
Take
reminder.
your right hand off with a chop you off.
He never said that weapons won't be formed against you, but he did say they will not prosper. And Rose and our concubine and their lies, it shall not prosper. When you're at the top, Jabass, you will be the topic. Remember that.
Yes, I'm kind of like.
See, when police come in a Rose's place and she sit down there on the bed with a little piece of dress in front of her, the reason why, and this is my assumption, I am guessing she didn't get up to put on clothes to hide her naked body as she claimed she was so ashamed because she sit on a big stinking dirty nasty bumble hole pan the gun them. So if she move, they find the gun. And maybe them not find it because the gun them with each up in a big stinking body. Jabass, do not let people like Rosealee, you know, bring you down. That is a no-no. You're a progressive young man, you're a child of God, go on and lift up yourself. You have a beautiful daughter, and she's always going to need you around, so don't do anything stupid.
No, man, me always go there, man, because
you know, we deal with it the right, we deal with it the right way, defamation of character, you get your lawyer and you deal with it the right way. Weapons are always going to be formed, but they are not going to prosper, King. You're a child of God.
Hello, better we go send Jabass to lion purpose. Then we go find liar.
And one thing more, Jabass. Can I beg you a favor, please?
What's that, darling?
Come, bring your ear close. You can send me a one. You can send me a one view.
No, my woman, hold on.
I do want me a make. I do want me a. Yeah, Jabass.
Jabass, me want to ask you something. Rosealee beg you a penis and you not give me.
God kill me, I tell me offer.
Jesus Christ! Rosealee, me want to fuck you, Jabass.
Hold on, me go plug in. Hold on, me go plug in. Me go plug in, buddy. Hold on, me go plug in.
Come with the evidence, uncle, come.
No, stop. I'm weak.
I'm so cocky, Rosealee beg you, you don't give me. That's why they come hungry like a hungry bird.
Don't say about bring down Jabass, so. Oh, God.
Jabass, you look like you have something good between your legs, they do.
Tappy, you man say, man, I want you like.
Tappy. Shh.
Me said, that's why I don't run no more joke from Jabass. Tell me about it, woman. Me said, me not run no more flat joke over here.
I'm going to let me charge up by blood class shop somewhere. I'm going to charge an office in over.
But what a good thing, Sir Jabass not fool, because if Jabass did send in one view, Rosealee would have that for use over Jabass head today, you know.
And
so Rosealee look like she did that right.
More, where they call me 110?
Girl, wanna come down, kiss me teeth. Any rebel, Jabass did put you up as a big pussy girl. I'm making her go over Rosealee with Rose go sit down side of Rose.
How was this up?
Somebody name any rebel.
That tune can't come up here, man.
That tune can't come up here. We are VIP.
Look here. You remember when time Jaden argument they come up when they do one little Photoshop with one long hood in their hand?
Yeah.
I hit him at time me have to Jaden. Me don't fucking know if I be Jaden or for Jaden. So me say, me can't talk about our next man hood, me can't talk about for me. And the woman say, if he send him one view, our next night again. Like him a drink up a room and me call him and me say, hey, me say, you not come on, because I know say me love play him. So me say, you not come on. Me say, you not come on. And he say, wait, him a drink up some blood clot me in a vibe. And me say, my girl, come on, we go see if we can make a money now. And he said to me, say, me a come on. And he say, you not send me something. Me say, what? Come back to remember. Me say, what? He say, you not send me one view. And I say, man, come from a bumbo class phone, man. I say, what did I say, think I can expose me over mountain. So you know what I say? And he said, me, I would never do that. I would never send a video over this. So me I don't like them people there. Me say, me I don't like them blood clot people. Me say, me swear upon everybody life when me love. everybody life I'm love. He always want me to turn against people. He want me to not play like somebody there. He know want me to do that. He know want me to do that. I said, Rose, me no busy with you and them. You know, you and them a fool. You and them argument. You can't turn me against people because me and nobody know, bro.
Jabass are true. Me listen to all Rosealee talk.
Nothing, bro.
You know why you play with Shein. You know why you play with
Kitty in Bex. Me play somebody if you wanna chat. Anyhow me play somebody and him add me. I text him now, cost me. Dirty boy, nyam pussy boy. I mean, if you play we got myself on my telephone, we palm me and then blood clot style, bro. You know, like somebody I play, bro. Listen me. Alright, now what you must say me so bro. When you see me live myself, I decline it, bro. I'm done. Analyze and see something avoid him, bro. So me decline him.
Bad man, I kill him.
My mother want me about him, brother. My woman want everybody want about him. So I say no, say yo, me I go take it down now again. Like I'm realize every time I show him, boss all the simple thing, he might go back pass out things when you know say blood and I'm much, bro. Me remember you always accuse people, tell people say no go so a cocky girl I buy man in blood. Oh, all of a sudden your mouth switch now. Remember you used to cuss and say yo a cocky girl them I buy when them a send me their money and scam me. Why you come and say to me a destiny as a tweet? Why you come now all of a sudden now I turn them out now and scam people them? You say much $100 my blood class send you. Sometimes you rank and I get to give them and me come off and I say blood class. I make give Rose $100 and I say them want to look $100 blood class dollar. You link me, you tell me say whoa baba this and baba that it is and not go on for money. Me say them want $100 blood class dollar. I'm not to come back and chat this thing. I'm not to like this style I need that bro. I'm not talk about things for people bro. And numerous of people me saying 50-50 and $100 per app bad. We are go through them blood class stress, bro, when me help out, brother. You see me? You know, talk about them, go to the brother. In night, when time LSR where you shoot up a place and your bad man and start cussing woman for no reason, brother. And the woman push up a number one and pass you, bro, G. I told you, my blood class in Concord, you big stinking girl. You understand me? I say, yo, big up yourself, brother, tap, make you integrate it. Ever coach you. Me ever coach you, I say, bro, tap, make you integrate it, say, brother. Firm up at that one, you know, I joke me a blood clot, run. See me, I say, Rosealee say love play, because when they play me, people them don't like me, so they shoot against me. So that's why you see, you always want to play with me, bro. I am telling me brawling, say watching the people them like me, I have to shoot when I like you, but now watch that. Once I will make you money. I mean always a blood clap. Sometimes they were busy, brother. I call me. Oh, you know, come on, Batman. Anyway, I say, girl, I say talk Batman joke with me bumble. A joke, man, you know what joke I carry the man. You know what joke I carry. I say talk Batman joke with blood clap me, girl. Bad man, the girl have name, bro. The girl just corrupt and the girl just bad man, bro. And I don't know me alone bad man against, bro. You have a problem with everybody, bro. So if you want to go dig up blood clot, if you want to dig up blood clot lying allegation when found with me at 28-year-old, him at 31 now. And you want to go blood clot dig up allegation and come with your friend them with your fiction them and plan up things that make people come in your box and pretend to be who they are not. You don't give a fuck boy, bro. I shoot me blood clot deal, brother.
Everybody was bad man. Everybody.
Yes, sir, maybe announce a business place, boy. Remember me tell her that. Then tell the bad guy to know. I tell her that. Bad man, you fuck.
Big sour cow, Rosealee.
Like I phone them on the live with the WhatsApp WhatsApp.
Jabass no need for sore, cause Jabass
them call me down, bro. See that them bada me phone and call me down, bad man. Rosealee, him call me down and bada me, bro. Him call me down, bada. I try this phone and me depend bad man. Most I come because my personal number depend this or me depend like. This I just want to look a random number when me use more. Me know want certain people have my number, bro. And I hear somebody have him first pan a phone when me know want nobody have my number, bro. And I want them to depend like on a bada brother. I use the blood clot and phone and add him in my WhatsApp. I them call me down and bada blood clot me. You see me? Alright. When he did fuck up and a cuss and a go on himself, you know, brother. You see me? Me text me say, yo, me say when you rank, me sit up with you and play door. The world on level, big up yourself, see there. Me say when you rank, you know. Me say we're on level, man, but big up yourself. Because I see me when me a rank in bad mind, if you give them and start act so we and a cuss you gift to them and a go on so we like you want to run a gift to them. I know so anytime me cuss LSR we run on them people. They like them gone about the business because people don't like it disrespect. So anytime you see me a blood clot rank or me I get no gift in start cut. Just observe when me a play that again. Watch back screen record. Anyhow me not get no gift in the funny high house up and them a go. So me start to get the gift them in spirit low and he start cuss the blood clot people them. So you work. I saw him work, bro. Because I have been saying people them like me and them all shoot against me. So that's why I love playing me. Why you thinking like why you thinking love play me and I like play the rest of people them? Why you thinking call on me blood clot for see miss call them? I call them I come if you come on live and me blood clot me. Still me I miss call them. I can't come on live every minute, bro. Yeah, always a come for company. Sometimes I road and I have to left road and come in and say, I go for life, man, because you gotta call me, bro. You see me, I say, brother, any little thing you want fly, you want this, make a me, my brother, me, my card, bro. The only reason why Rosealee come and blood clot party over that shit, the only reason why Rosealee come, ask me, say, Rosealee, how much money that charge from me if you come and party? He say, yo, me not charging you, know, me your friend already. Me say, no. Ask and everything like that. Me say, no, me no walk so. Me not free out the blood clot thing. Me value all of my friend them. How much you want? Me no want to rank my you come from phone and rank me around, come send me one line. Me I go forward. And me say, Anna, send her one line for me. Anna never hesitate. Anna go over there go send him one blood clot line. He call me and he tell me, say, yo, he might go buy your clothes and he might go prepare for blood clot come and see. And he might say, Jay can't drive so much I get one blood clot car. And they did get the car and the car crash. In the company like I talk about, it's a little people in the blood clot car. So I like you never did come in the blood clot come and nobody never ask for my party, because my party them a big party down here. My party them ram up down here, people from all about, all foreign people that come and party them. Me not keep DB and shibby but blood clot party with empty space like how you have empty space in your party with Chantal. Go suck out the mama and go a big thinking girl. You think you can stop me, you can't bring me down. You can't bring me down. You talk about life and the blood clot pass back then, talk about now. You can't blood clot bring me down. When I top up in a blood clot coat and they look on the 2 pieces of paper, then the judge ask them, say, what is blood clot this? So when I talk now, the judge ask them, say, what is blood clot this? And give me be a same blood clot time. 2 look up is a fine blood clot paper with just where you say. No evidence, nothing. Go suck out to no mama. We don't know lie and steal blood clot story. They want to come a blood clot with. They ask them, say, what is this? What is blood clot? They say, if we have one good blood clot court file case, where did they suffer, we said so? I'm not there on there right now, but we don't have no blood clot evidence, nothing substantial, and just blood clot, like I come feel like you don't want to come tear down blood clot people. Go suck out to the blood clot, mama. If he's a blood clot judge and court, a blood clot idiot, if you have evidence of your real substantial realness and then look into it and see the realness side, I rat me around that blood clot. Rat me around the first appearance, I'm going to make my blood clot. You go suck out to the mama. And go dirty blood clot, dirty people, pussy hole. Only your voice note in my song. Only your voice note in my song where accusing it of a blood clot talk, bro. He say, oh, I did let me play. I have a whole long blood class here. Let me tell you now. I call, somebody call. Back on my back, call the person. And ask the person, why that I tell him, brother, and say, I know me, but I never did that kind of blood clot go so I'm a mother. Let me blood clot. It didn't have me intro when I sang them. So I don't listen to one over your blood clot shut off no more. I don't even listen to one when over your shut off no more. I just laugh, bro. When me go before court back then, bro, me know one why judge say and one why they on the blood clot case file. So I don't really listen to one when they come out with no blood clot fabrication and no local thing one like blood clot chat. But you understand me? Me, I go fix all of no blood clot business. Me just simple patient wait on God and time. Me not really busy with one. Well, and then me go on it. In a blood clot front of the vice with a fear vice in a hit. Yeah, and I just show me lie at them and say, don't put out the whole of the blood clot vice, no, make it stay. That is for the court evidence to show, say I lie them a blood clot tell upon you. Because I look go confess in the blood clot there. I have a whole record in 21 blood clot minute and jail me turn from get that. Go suck out to no mama. Jail me turn from get that. So me now listen to Uno. Me now listen to blood clot Uno, now Papi blood clot show. Papi show no be bro. You just love rise up and try if you team up and bring no. None of you can bring me down, bro. I'm telling you that I want to get in on the blood clot, bro. Now waste on the time. You now waste on the blood clot time. Oh. Now waste on the blood clot time. This is what I'm saying. I feel invited this year. Listen.
I never went to the police intentionally.
I want long blood clot 21 or either 18 minutes or 21 long record. I never went to there intentionally. And she talk why and who force her for blood clot. But they go suck out to the woman. You can set me up. You can set me up and tell no blood clot like I'm a big stinking people. Yeah? You can blood clot set me up. Yeah? You can set me up, bro. You can set me up.
Go away. Every day she dey a chat about it's same slap me Sunday something. They make she go away. You see him fast news.
Hold on, see, guess real mother ya. This a guess real mother. She me add, don't mute to the mic. See guess real mother ya. And she give birth to blood clot. Guess see her, me add her. See her there. My mother text me something for add the real mother. See real mother me add there. See the real mother there. Cat.
Alex.
What you deal with?
Alex.
Me I hear you.
Oh my God.
Me I hear you, man.
Alexia, we are listen to Big Pussy Rosealee. We are I told me no want to scream record hold me. You listen to Dirty Rosealee for. And I act like you're an idiot.
Into blood
You know how
clot
much
out
ears
and breath.
Rosealee don't see her pussy, her belly cover it? And it makes you torment. Stop listening to waste girl Rosealee. She needs to paint out her house. And go wash her big pussy with skeleton and time blow up on that. She walk and suck cocky like that. Take me off Alexa and scream record me I run from.
Alright,
You listen to Dirty Rosealee when I be a till in a year.
I guess
Can't listen
real
to
mother that
Rosealee.
there. Real mother. I guess real mother blood clot mother. I guess real mother there. I guess real blood clot mother that there. She gets real mother there. So when they come up and lie them and it's too, I don't know no Pinky and no Peter get all the people name with them and makeup. I don't know them blood clot people there. When he call guest name, me know blood clot guest, because I guess I'm looking blood clot adaptive system my mother take and have you so. See blood clot mother there.
I want to sit in the Jabass. Normally when the TikTokers they fight and cuss everybody turn back friend. I open a chat back to the girl then.
Come back and me say Rose a dead girl to me about turn back friend. I will blood clot you my girl. If you tapping eyes up at this blood clot, I say a dead girl that to me you, that dead in my side. But turn back and me say a dead girl that in my wish. Hey. And them to matter. The blood clot don't charge it. But turn back. Me say a dead girl that to me in my brain and my mind and my side. Fuck don't know man.
Right.
It was one bed. So I like.
I guess my when I call guess man there, bro. So make it all on the blood clot people and we I said this on me they didn't even come up, bro. Remember me I nobody, me not do them nothing. But me if do them. Remember me a coward. Remember me not no links.
Jabass, you TikTok liar over there. This serious. A plan they never plan. Nothing no go so because they don't have nothing to come with. So then they this serious.
Big thinking Rosealee. You want a chop in your head, girl. Suck out your mama. Tishana me a chat and I can't add your girl. Tishana, you have to go follow me, girl, and send the request. Tishana, send the request, no, man. Oh, see ya. You're right, get somebody will help you.
Me, yeah.
Tishana, what go on?
Me there, but Jabass, me you not sleeping and see him house already.
Me say I laugh out a blood clot them, Tishana, here.
And me I look good, girl, and you never rate me.
Clean and blood clot pretty. Big dirty stink. Yo, you know much people link me more while bad man and say, yo, tough follow them up, bro, because I whole heap of time, bro. Me see me there yard and more fuck. And show me the telephone first say, yo, no sex. Your whole word. When a pressure woman this fuck. Fuck no mama. Girl kind of bed all naked. Let me tell you see every me a link and you look at me and tell me, say, you don't want to fuck. Nobody change your mind when you come and say, no. Cause me and you now fucking, you not tell no lie for me, no. Cause I'm afraid of them blood clots in there, no. So you see, if me and blood clot you, I chat and I go on and you tell me, say, yo, you want to say, me don't want to have sex on the first date or me don't want to have sex none at all. And then you come and say, come change your mind. My who dead, you know. Me not interested in you again, you know. Oh, report, you know. Report me live because I think TikTok a idiot. Yo, Tish.
I fuck with them attack. Bad to bad, I fuck with them attack.
Rosealee, suck out your mama, Tisha. I hear me try to tell her, name me if you name out your mama and got dead.
I don't lie.
That thing if you go do.
Well, Jabass, she said she used, like I saw a screen recording, she said she used her head on people and cry and say she need a bed. So I think you should let her use her head again and pay for defamation of character.
If you go buy one bucket of ambition and one bucket of have sense, that if you go buy
you need to, take her to your lawyer, get your lawyer involved and let her pay for defamation of character. Her gifters, them are going to help her pay the money.
You can't bring me blood clot down. And I tell me sure about. You see, if I something where me know, so when my chat say real, bro, me that's a blood clot. And go hide. You can't bring me down big stinking sour girl when you like beard. You think like a shit. You can't bring me down go suck out your mama dead girl. You can't bring me down. You think me now blood all my mother and people that tell me, oh, don't follow him up down with him. Anytime I call up me blood clot name girl and me your toe on the life. Them go suck out your mama.
That's true, don't know.
But near more to enter go call me a blood clot you upon this. Until me fed up and you make somebody call lick in your face for you. Or suck out your mama girl. So I'm not fed up here yet. I'm going to entertain you. I'm not enter me fed up here. You go see. Enter me fed up here. You go know. Enter me fed up. At the time, I'm not going to bring me down. Enter me fed up here. You go blood clot.
Jabass, may I come down here?
You got yourself, sis God, man. I love you, baby.
Alright.
All right, Queen. Jabass, just get a lawyer involved. I don't want you to put yourself in any
Hey,
problems.
darling, I don't like
You have
quotas.
your-
I have to keep me not going to quote up here. I don't like quotas and hospital and this and that, you know.
Okay. Well, I don't want you to put yourself in any problems. You have your beautiful daughter, and you have us out here that, you know, look forward to watching your life.
Oh.
So please don't get yourself in any trouble.
Big dirty thinking girl, we want beard. Go beard and use wash when your body. Big dirty thinking, mucky girl. You know your dirty blood clot house with your all time tile and your all time bed free and your all time mattress girl will be a sponge the pan. And your all time dirty cheap blood clot coronation market sheet. But suck out the mama big thinking girl. You can't walk in nobody else a class girl. You see a big old master king size bed me down in a big old blood clot 4-room blood clot house. Big old dirty stinking girl AC all over your whole place. Big old blood clot the big old Axio, big old markets. Go suck out the mama big thinking bad man girl. Big old business place and run big thinking girl. Yeah, somebody girl. You always want to stop with people with blood clot higher elevate down. You see a cruff girl. You see a cruff, you have big old blood clot cruff. Oh.
Us later, okay?
Alright, Abibo, what make you speak so I go like your blood clot foreign a girl? You ever go find for the day born yet? Come down and find your pussy hole. You ever go find yet? Watch out, Miss Triple. Miss Triple. I miss Triple like that. I miss Triple like that chat.
Jabass, I'm gonna come down. Take care of yourself. And
All right,
your niece say she's sleeping now, but she said, "Mommy, you see, I told Uncle Jabass congratulations on his business. He didn't even have the time to tell me thank you."
I'm so sorry, my pumpkin. I'm so sorry. Thank you so much, pumpkin.
No. She asleep. It's 1:49 on my end.
I'm good behavior. You make she come. You make she come up and read.
All right. You stay blessed, Jabass. You hear? Everybody, good night. It's love and love alone we are preach. And like I said,
Violence.
Down to Jabass.
A long time if you come down.
Me know, man. Me blood clot. No problem. But Jabass, this is what I am saying. I love you so much, and this is love, like from me heart, because you really keep me going for true. Are you me listen?
They can't bring me down, bro. They can't bring me down, brother.
Right. Rose I got always talk, and Rose never ever in an opposition like your Jabass. Come on, and I can't wait to come to Jamaica and meet you. I cannot wait.
Yes, we are there by Plaza, which me I promote the people in business.
We coming to Jamaica, we coming at the bar, and we coming to spend our dirty money that we get a lot of shit for.
Hold on. And Jabass, we not tell us say we want no lion or nothing. We are come spend with money. And a lion we are sending, we are come spend with money.
Yes, good. Me get a lion. I think that I go with that.
Dirty Rosealee go away.
She did up my place last night. She had to do a place clean and nice. Clean and Rosealee.
Yes, no problem.
Rosealee was dirty like a jailhouse. In a Rosealee was come like a when they have blood clot, dirty thing in jail. So kill is jail. Suck out the more Rosealee, you big and stink, you motherfucking. Rosealee, your body full of blood clot. Yes, but me out the more big thinking girl.
Then get warning.
No, man, enjoy energy, my boss. You know, continue to be great work, my boss.
No, man, look at you see good energy. A good energy, well protected, you know. They can't join energy to the side, bad energy, me I give them now.
Say I come down.
Man.
Yeah, you're not better me say.
Jabass.
Yeah, later.
Jabass.
I take your blood clot.
Alright, my Gene, I see you already, yeah?
Alright, my bro. Triple, come down have a blood clot, yeah, your next one. Joe man, Triple, I'm girl, man. Triple, big stinking girl, of course. Big dead old girl, go suck out your mama. Anna.
No, take me down. Take me down, no.
Baby.
Take me down. I'm in state, take me down.
Me don't know if you take it down, babes.
How long?
Me don't know if you take it down. Me don't know if you reach up. I can get a glitch. Pretty girl, Chanel, you want to, I mean, cussing on girl. I call she could because me, listen to chat, don't listen to
Jabass,
Listen, chat, listen.
good evening. Big up yourself. Love right through. You know you have people out there who really support you and really love you. Don't make the negativity. No, son, no, really. I wouldn't. Because at the end of the day, whenever people see people arise, them always try to bring up them past, whether it's true or not, for try and slow you down and try to get people, you know, for stay away from you.
Oh.
And as in your comments, I'm being asked why no, why people choose to come with this no. But as I said, big up yourself. You know, you have people who really love you, just like me. Go and do the good thing and go and continue to strive and make the haters them hate. Love. Later.
That's a cool. And this is not like Rosealee. This is not like all the people that are like, yeah, body follower of them. So call them booba go don't think it, girl. You think people them are idiot? You think people them are idiot? You think people them pan all when you see them over there in the comment section asking about teeth. You think them a blood clot that doesn't mix up their life. You think them a blood clot that big stinking girl. You must feel them are an idiot, big stinking donut old girl. Them are an idiot. Yeah, fuck from your 14 and haul around in a blood clot CV. You need to go hide under your bed too. Cause all the blood clot to fuck you got through if you feel young age, dirty thinking girl. Suck out your mama. And I restart in time about restart, I just shift off fire. And I said tomorrow I can go live on a big page, you know. Big sticky girl. You're full of salt like a blood clot beach. You're full of, watch out. Brawling, me go up on live with the owner, I go tell him, say, oh, I said, take me out of this, man. All the time I can come out of this when time I can check up. And when I can check up, I have 1 year blood clot, agree and disagree if you do. I have until 1 year if you agree, if I agree with it. No can check. No can check. I have 1 year work, after 3 years, I have 1 year to decide if I go continue the lease or I go give up the lease. I'm going to get up, you go mad. Suck out your mama girl. I'm out your mama big stinking girl. Your bad mind, big dirty tiki girl. Suck out your mama girl. Your bad mind. And that a kill you. Bad mind a kill you. People them feel if your bad mind a kill you. Your bad mind and that a blood clot kill you. Your fucking bad mind bitch. And that a kill you. Big stinking girl. Yeah, I'll give it up because you will need it there. Yeah, yes. Let me call up on my business place and find out if all is well because I don't go there from there. But my friend Ziggy is up there, so let me call and make sure everything is going good. I was going up there and then I turn back and come at my house so I can get the curse the real way. You can't bring me down. Big old no ambition shit house. You can't bring me down, big old dirty stinking girl. You can't bring me down, girl. Of all person, you bring me down, big old dirty stinking girl. Remember me no come for you, everything alright up there, me bro?
Yeah, me just do a phone tune up.
Oh yeah, tune up I know.
No man, I play song man, because every day I play.
It clean a lady, they come when they go up there, it clean. It clean a lady, they come when they go up there, it clean out.
Yeah man.
Everything alright up there?
Hey, we are going to call up the boy to take out the 2 leather there, because he put the leather picture of the box. Pick it on the box.
Oh, that I box him up in the top of the ceiling? You want to open the top of the ceiling?
Mm-hmm.
So what then they know?
They have the ceiling, nobody that we alone can manage it.
Oh, alright. Just work with the one that we down there, man. Just connect up and work with them and go and play so.
Yeah, man, no, some blocks are fine for it. We not find out for it.
Alright, my bro. Me so far out of them, man.
Alright, cuz, do right.
Alright, good. Do that and beat me, Rosealee. I'm a boss. I'm a boss. Promotion manager cannot do that. People who promote people place can call people and make sure everything alright in their business space. Big stinking church out wall gal. Big dirty thinking gal. If I manage me, if I promote me that promote people place for them, me could call workers and ask if all is well and I hear what is going on taking place. Big sad of my thinking gal. I mean open my place a morning time, I mean lucky, I mean turn on my alarm, I mean higher security blood clot guard. I mind him the pan contract, I mind him do every blood clotting, big old stinking girl, you're bad mind. I'm a boss, and you're not a fucking boss, and that's what bad minding, that's what ruining you, because Rome Jen, all of my friend them mad. We not keep punk friend, we not keep batty boyfriend, we not keep informer friend. Suck out your mother Rosealee, and we not keep batty boyfriend. No time. You see me call a check blood clot business place. And I can't turn friends and watch me camera them too. Stinking girl. I can't turn friends and watch me camera them on my phone. I try this a phone I'm on live with. I have everything on it. I can't do some trigger me blood clot alarm. Big stinking girl. I can't do some trigger me blood clot alarm. My alarm can't trigger friends. So I can't use my phone and trigger off my alarm. I can't press my panic button if nothing go wrong. I can't sit down and watch me camera them big stinking girl. Go suck out the mama. I blood clot business place a mad dirty thing you can go lift up. All the people there go come and we all of you have a advice and we go lift up. Suck out the mama. Yo! I them there my bro, what go on? Oh, me that shout up check next door there for me, bro, but me get through automatic.
Oh, yeah, man, everything active.
Everything active.
Yeah, man.
You know, say, at the band when me and you have door, bro, make people feel like I say, I feel your place and me I watch it for you.
Well, they will not have to watch it, brother. What the fuck them feel like?
Good. So, if me not did it, suppose they can call me and say, walk one over for your side.
You don't see where you go?
You see girl reach there?
Yeah, man, Mr. One dark skin chick reach here and
She look good, not true?
yeah, man, she's sexy.
Alright, our face side, because you say the one about it, I get her face side, you see me?
Oh, is that should be?
Yeah, man, so I make sure you run off our your side.
Alright, right forward.
Yeah, man. And you get the kitchen up and active?
Yeah, man.
And I go promote the kitchen for you, so I know I go turn a bigger promoter, because we not no bad man in a way.
But I don't want to them, brother. When I tell me, I say, I leave that girl and want to say, yo.
Hold on. Alright, yeah, happy for black people. That's a code, me bro, man. Me so far out there, man. Alright. Yeah, bro. I own a fee plaza that. I own a fee blood clot plaza that. What blood clot shell lad? Yeah, baby. No, me not promote a body, because your body and mine. She get banana. Why TikTok banana? Oh God, man. If you left her alone, she can't come live. Suck out them one big stinking road, a big chaka like blood clot road. And a 2 bar, yeah, one section of a film side where they did a long time. Remember I said the plaza big. And film side they did a long time. And in they have a renting space down the time I renovate the home my blood clot want it. Thanks to you people on TikTok we send them give and help me out, and thanks to my blood clot woman. You understand me? Yeah, big up on the blood class. Because remember, we have ambition. A whole heap of millions of waste back then. When we stupid at our party, 15 blood clot, 10, 12 backlines like we a puppy show. Every party, every jump and that we did there. Whole heap of blood clot money, we take a dash out for blood clot girl, we not even fuck. You understand me? So me have sense now. Whole heap of blood clot, me a car park up and me still a rent big blood clot car. Because me that big gym and me can own, me can buy hardy. And me can buy this and me can buy blood clot. That go suck out the more big stinking girl, a bad mind a blood clot. Dirty thinking girl, a bad mind, dirty thinking girl, a bad mind a kill you. Everything where your blood clot come with it, you come with enough. Hear me in my brain no chat. In my brain myself, I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to make the team up and bring it down. You can't bring me down big old stinking one beard, girl. You have to beard first. I mean, anytime you beard at the time, you come down. I mean, no, I not come down because I know you're not beard. Anytime my friend them see me a cuss pan like they not pre and say me a sissy because they know me a bad blood clot picking in a real blood clot life. So then I go pre say, yo, sissy. Then I go pre that because they know me a madman in real life. Suck out the more Rosealee. You big and stink like a dog shit. That get black off for a long time after every blood clot thing. I when him say my black me don't black him long time. Oh. You know, see a woman sexy. Flat tummy and big body and round and cock up. I can't wait to put it on her backers. Let me see if the must rape me rape you too. Sting like a shit to blood clot. Get him and sit down and watch your blood clot come here so come call this me. And me sit down and me know where you chat your fuckery. And me sit down with blood clot that. I keep my mouth locked. You know my mother beg me. You know, me say I call up on my mother there. Rosealee, I change that to me know, you know. I change that to blood clot, but it's true me know say internet, brother. Me talk about that pre and meds charge. Cause true me know say internet, bro. You hear me? I tell that, brother. If I want boy ramp with me like you ramp with me, man. Remember me tell a long time. But near me tell me a big stinking girl. You are somebody. You are going like you are blood class somebody. You are someone. They don't restrict me already, so I don't have smoke. Cause they don't restrict me already. Suck out a big stinking girl. You think. You're frozen. Big dirty girl. You have to come off your life with a life seeing we are trying to bring me down. And your aquarium friend. I mean, this aquarium people, I mean, big up Destiny. Destiny cussing. Big up Destiny. Destiny. When Destiny did go talk, say me a scammy people that take them blood clot money. When Destiny did nippy, what you deal with? I want to see it. Anytime I see it, I just always have my picture in post with one caption. I don't want to post the screen recording. I want to post my picture. You see how I deal with that. I want that there. And Tiki, big up ugly blood clot Tiki with the big mouth. I want you post me, not the blood. Yeah, that more you post. Somebody see everything they do. I'm going to show you what time it is now. And that mean why you do long blood clot time, girl. You know long why you do that? You know long me see every day. You know long me want you do that. You know long me want you do that. You know long me the want you do that. And that me I pray for how long, you know. And I send it on my next phone, a number yeah. It's 455. You know how long me want you do that? Cause remember, you know, it first news will come out and I share it, so that not eligible. Cause share you that blood class share it. So you know eligible. I'm done here that already long time. So you know eligible that can't stand because of she just share it. You understand me? So me that way upon you if you post me upon your thing. I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you, say, when time me start to sitting. You understand me? But watch it. See when I post it, watch a video in a prison. I gun me go to jail and stuff. A gun charge me the depend. Me never did us upon a rape charge. Me did us upon a gun charge. Gun charge this year. Way back then. Remember my chest full of a tattoo and my hand them full of a tattoo now. You saw a way back blood clot, them big stinking girl. A gun charge me the pan so gun charge. A gun charge me the pan so this so. Gun charge me the pan. It done in the media from 2014 come straight up. It done in the media pan Gleaner everywhere there. A gun charge me the blood clot jail for you so. Years a blood clot go. A gun charge me the so pan. So me I go show you something with this way you post. And I go show you say me mad in a real life. And feel me connection and feel me links them mad in a real blood clot life. And this me the one you do long time and you say make a mistake, miss. You make a mistake, yes, sir. And don't feel like I joke me the pan with you, you know. Remember, I not joke me the pan with you. This me the one you do long time. You know, let me away pan you if you do this apart, yeah. You know, long me I would babe, some stop say stuff. It done out there already. It did there, so me get charged with blood clot gun. It done did there already long time, so me get charged with blood clot gun and shooting with intent. It did a long time. It did a long blood clot time. It did a long, me not have to hide it did a long time. It did it. So me not have a blood clot hide it. It was there. So this is back then. When me mad and ugly no blood clot and mad and no sense. Then my time me mad like a blood clot shad. Me mad, me no sense. Suck out your mama Rosealee. And that me the one you do long. Hey, no catch your name. Good, yes. Catch your name. So me I go show you something now, Auntie B. Me I go show you something now. Me I go show you something now. And me I go show you something. You go beg me. I beg to say you go beg me. That more you do long time. You know that more you do it? You know long I want you to do it? I'm not afraid to talk about that. I'm not afraid to talk about that there. You know long more you do that, girl? Yeah? Oh, me incriminate myself. We gone a long time. Me pass a long time. I don't know how to seek. Years, 6, 7 years, 5 years. And you know, hear me company go chat about this, and you go see. You love why you do it. Sweet, you see. It's sweet, you see. You know, long more your blood clot do it. Eh? You know, long one you do it. Boy, trust me, they were really working. You know, long one you do it. Girl. You fall for your bait. Good. You know, long one you do it. Yes, me talk your best at that one you do. I show you some ram with me, man. I show you some I have to bring no violence to you for you go set me up and make me go to prison. Let me look nice, look pretty daughter. I go show you. If I ever my daughter, I tell you a long time I fix you. Just believe. If I ever my daughter, I fix up a long blood clot time. I listen and bed and laugh and they on my TikTok same way. I no can't make me look at that and I no father out there. You think me going to jail and mine pitney? Work there jail. Work there jail. Income there jail. Okay. Yes. It was a nice day. I drink 3 Jaguars. Yes. And it's nice. Oh God, I way about this. Thank you, Father God, for changing my life. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bro, no. So she in her live chat, cause if you in live, me don't know what to, you know. If you in live, me don't know what to, you know. I don't make no sense. I lie. It's easy if you're tired, so. No, man, I have to breathe your babes, man. I have to breathe them. First go. Remember me now week be jelly back, you know, man. Time I bust in a belly, I pick me, you know. I am working for a robe and a scar on my knee. You can't get me though. You cannot manage me. Is your name written there in that long book of life? Roll call, brother, sister, roll call. Is your name written there in that long book of life? Roll call, brother, sister, roll call. I say your name a call. Christian name a call. Evangelist name a call. Say deacon name a call. Pastor your name a call. Is your name written there in that long book of life? Roll call, brother, sister, roll call. It's alright, I say, harm no one and let nobody harm you. Harm no one and make nobody harm you. Harm no one and let nobody harm you. I'm tired. Yeah, dog. I never there, man. Suck out them, my Rosealee. My mother and you. I hear what they think. They think when they hold them team up in a box, they must say blood clot. They must take him down now. You understand me? Can't think people like you think people are blood clot either. So that he must say in brain say blood clot take down or go on and now. That he must say no say take down or go on. Take down her mother, man. Take down his mother. Can't take me down, big stinking girl. Can't take me down. I have to see which one can't take me down. And you see all of them, when you see a follow, bro, when you see go live over here, bro, you follow, I show them one back a cloud and feed them side. Don't know so get it back, I can't wait. I'm feel me time now. Lord, me make you side. Everybody get for them time. Me get me time way back then, and me come back and get back my time again. Lord, me no man. Bumbo clad. I don't love follow so. I don't love follow too much, man. Wait on the turn, man. No fun to come on live about your argument and chat up in the mouth in the comment section. And chat up in the mouth on live and a class. And I use it as blood clot joke. You can't use nothing as joke with me, no. Because I know I'm not happy to see what I go on and I show no views drop. When I come over here and I go on with myself and no views drop. So I say I don't know come live till my blood clot come off. When I come off, I don't see no jump on live. And then I just come back live pound. And so no come off. Think me now watching and I laugh. I mean, they bought me blood clot business and they are going easy. I live me the pan here when I talk, so I don't want to go places and go places. Me I forward and I say yes. Never push me come back on. Oh. I can't team. Oh, I'm in a big boy. I'm in a big link. I'm in a big fucker link and eat that soft link. Me love rough link. Serious link, me love. Big stinky winky. Big stinky blood clot winky. If you only be true, he will take you to the wilderness. If you only be true, he will take you to the wilderness. Me mama cry. Me papa cry. If you only be true, he will take you to the wilderness. Take me to the wilderness. Take me to the wilderness. Take me to. Imagine they pan live how much hours they don't make that over $50. Imagine you depend live, bringing down people cursing, you don't even make $50 for the day. You're trying to bring me down and you don't make 50 fucking blood clot dollar. Eh? You don't even make 50 blood clot dollar.
Fresh at 9-year-old, that's crazy. That is crazy.
What? What is crazy? What is crazy, girl?
I don't want to hear about that anymore.
Why? Why you don't want to hear about it anymore? Speak! So I can get more stuff to show you. That is not everybody you play with.
I do that in the box. I do that in the box.
Why you want to stop now? Don't stop.
Full access.
Rosealee can't my address, bro. You know what I live? Go and Google it. Check his star. Why? All of a sudden now? Why?
You know why you're but I don't have fun and joke. I want to touch up in our ranking.
Why? Continue. Go ahead.
I think the mat's full enough, baby. Let me have different
all of the links then when they say me have the big links, they want this and that. We are going to use them now. I'm going to show you. With the outer the blood class self. Chat, I weigh something with up on our story. Where you gone? Is still there? Is it still there? Is it still there? Oh, good. It wanted to be there still, yeah. Come now and mute a big stinking girl. So me can hear what you chat say. And like your mic bike. All of a sudden, how the club active tonight, man. Anyone out there no want pull up, no pull up. I don't know, maybe a TikTok like I go tell her what she need to hear. Me say, me done the chatting. Me say, me just want to post my picture over there.
Yeah, wait until it make me no know. I got check the setting. If me can't have nobody else as its settings.
Me. What do you mean you come here come go post up when you sit down in that bed? And when I make good people, they tell me, say, no, that's trouble. If she have sense, you posting her is trouble.
Is she there? Is she there? Which that? Which part that?
Me say, somebody where one of my friends up in a society tell me, say, hey, no, that is trouble.
I don't want to talk about that, I don't care. Tell Candy to come. Tell Candy to come play too much.
You know I talk about that.
I don't want to hear about that, and I don't care how much threat what Jabass was saying. I don't want to hear that. I don't want about the story or so. Sometimes when I hear something and it's very disturbing.
Big sour thinking fat girl, suck out your mama.
That worse than
You're big and stink. You're big and stink.
That, you know why you about that?
You're
when
big.
you have them type, just black them.
You're big and stink.
And when them type, Jabass them feel tight out. Drop it at the filter, I don't want ear.
You're big and stink. You're big and stink. You watch me and you. You watch me a blood clot you.
Jabass, thank you. Try to enter the ranks. Try to not enter the ranks yet, you know? We don't enter the ranks yet at all.
For the good cream, them gonna check out Clean Glow skincare. I feel a cream them you use.
Tell Candy come play 2 or 6. Why you about blood clot that? Them the old blood, you know why you about that? Because and these is the things where I get paranoid woman. And this pass bring down. When you have been down, somebody that talk out, someone could sit away. It's too much. When you have been down, somebody that trolling with some little pay and play. When this is a serious action, because the woman come up and say, I'm a 9-year-old.
That you talk about now? I never talk about 9-year-old. We never talk about that. That wasn't the case, girl.
And up till today, they just sleep underneath her bed.
I never talk about.
It's crazy.
I never talk about. We never talk about that. Should get up.
That past TikTok gimmicks.
So gimmicks.
Past TikTok gimmicks.
So gimmicks overall then.
Rosealee, listen, yes I know.
So gimmicks overall. All of a sudden gimmicks. Yeah?
I know me kill this. But that's why. We don't want to fight for you.
Bad. Hold on.
And the blood clot inbox. Me no want hear it. Me no want hear it. Me no want hear it. Cause some ex me no want hear it. I the only story me no want it. And I tune send threat why me no want hear it. Me just no want hear it. Me no want hear it.
Oh yeah, brain man. Wanna say I go on now?
Me no want hear it.
Hey boy Jake, you're a dead boy pussy. Go suck your mama Jake. You're a dead boy. You're a dead boy Jake. Go suck your mama pussy. Come on, follow your life, yeah. Chat, don't give page a follow. Don't give page a follow, chat. Everybody follow page, because over here some I start go live, you know, because I make my big page go in, because I work too hard for it, you know. I get too much joke and entertain over here for me that the blood clot page go, you know. I go too much, you see me, you know, follow a page there. Follow a page there. Big up me cream. See it here. If you don't want the good cream, them check her out. Clean Glow Skin Care. Clean Glow Skin Care. Click the follow button, chat. I'm gonna follow a page here.
One some cocky big pussy girl, you know. Go the place, you know. Live chat, because I tell you nuggets and give her 6. You agree? Like how? Like when the pussy just get fucked and you can't bend to see how it's here. I will name Larry.
Follow the page, chat. Follow the page.
I will name Larry.
Follow the page, chat. Follow the page, chat. She ship a US, man. She ship a US.
Mister, what's going on? Can you hear me?
What do you want, Carly?
What's actually? How comes everybody's like arguing and everything? Like you seem. Is that just?
I don't know what you're talking about. Mix up, lady.
Oh. Okay. How are you?
I'm good. You don't see?
Yeah.
Oh.
No. Your club's nice.
How many I look? Yeah?
I say it looks nice, your club.
But your club look nice. Thank you, baby. Thank you. I don't know nothing. I don't know how you silence up. I don't know nothing. Maybe she just want to stop.
Alright then. Well, as long as you're alright.
Yeah, man. So, you alright, though?
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm good too, darling.
Well, blessings. Alright, thanks for having me. I'll share you out. Is that alright?
Yeah, what is it? No, she no coke chat. You want me know? She have one little sickness while she be. So I don't know wrong with her. I don't left her. I make she stay, but I just show you chat too much. I make can't take it chatting sometime. Your sickness come down and hold it for unnecessary talking, and that's why. But she good, she cool. When she stay, she cool. You just have to go sickness she have. Anybody else could have. When she stay, but she just chat too much. I make can't take it chatting sometime. I'm alone for chat no for her. You know, nobody ever chat more than me. I'm jealous. How? Carly, so let me tell you what you want, Carly. So stiff fuck you want, so stiff food. If you straighten out your blood clot mental.
Fuck your damn fucking self.
You want so hard fuck. If you straighten out your blood clat mental problem you have.
Squeezing this out of me. Fuck you, lad. Fuck you.
Yeah, so hard fuck you want so Jamaican fuck in your pussy.
No, you've done it.
That you want?
Why would you squeeze that out of me? I was being so good for so long. Jeez. Fuck it.
She on the panel jokes. She on the panel jokes. Carly, this sickness that you have, what's his name again?
Carly Louise.
What is called?
Bipolar.
Hey, what the fucking sickness called?
Personality.
Carly, what is the sickness you have name again?
Bipolar disorder.
Yeah, bipolar
personality disorder.
Personality. This minute she calm, next minute she angry, next minute she jokify, next minute she...
Thanks for fucking like medically diagnosing me on the live. What if I could have found an husband? Now no cunt's gonna want me.
No man, they want you, man. They want you. Maybe Zozo you want you. I think y'all look the wrong man them, and if you look mad man them.
Yeah, well, yeah. I hear you. You off out?
What?
So you going out?
What?
Are you popping out? Why aren't you at your club?
I'm not going there tonight.
Okay. Nice to meet you anyway.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. Bye-bye. Come down. I'm not dark like midnight, man. I'm dark, I'm not talk, you know. I disappear.
No, Jabass, take me down. Me just watch it. Just take me down.
Come on, blood clot crosses, girl. And next one, can you know one come back here gonna get bring me down pussy without for 40 days. Me I going over here, you know. Tell them that from now. I dig up everything about you know. When I for the Netherlands and foreign place where me not nobody. Me I find out things about you know. Hello.
Oh, comes Medina. Good night, Jabass. I'm just listening.
Alright, baby, go and listen. I'm just listening. They good, man. They get our shits together. Girl, I come here and call up all blood clot guess name and fuck and we know who guess father is and who guess people them is. Fucking idiot. Sometimes I'm sorry for you. Sometimes I'm sorry for you no fuck. When I say no company I go out no fuckery, I'm sorry for you. I swear. Sorry for you fuck.
Well said. Mommy, if you beat me, if you pay me, then channel me. I'm gonna be like, we have to say yes, mommy. But if me say yes, mommy, I think that because she beat me, I listen. Yeah. She hear you. Me not know what nail take off this to me there. Mommy, they can't lie. Take it off now. Mommy, you lie right now.
Tish. Alright, go on, Tish. Remember, hear your business. Go on, girl. Jerome, what you did? Them there, dog. I hear me your voice in the youth. Yeah, go on, bad picking it. And then me up on the live, yeah. I hear me your voice, you know your voice can't hide. Oh, yeah, go, that's taco. Super true, man. Bad. I won't add. I want to add somebody else. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, man. Big up all the people, you know, quick to believe, fuck you, you see me? Big up on yourself, man. Heart of love, nothing but love. You see me? No, you're mad. I can't leave my place. I can't leave my place. I really think about a joke, don't I make one day. Yeah, I mean, that's like what I do. Because when I go do that in a chat, bro, it go turn people against me, bro. Bro, if I come over here, I go say ABC, you know, brother, people, I go say ABC too, you know. So you have to know where your chat say on your live, you know, bro. People, them go pick side, you know, because anything you say, them work with, you know. And anything my me say, my people, them go work with it too, you know. Anything me say, my people, them, I go work with it. So anything him say, him people, them go work with it, bro. So you see, anyhow, him come over here, go say, make big belly Jabass moving blood clot, because Rosealee used to sit down with him on live, ungrateful, blah, blah, blah. No, bro. I don't eat that, brother. So if I do that bad, man, I go just mad. I don't care. I go just mad, I don't care, bro. I still people up and I chat at them about who I show you that I go pick up and make your car crash. That means I wear them been attack, say. So sometimes how things go on where bring up some things. That means I will been attack, say, bro. I make vehicle them, bro. You see me? I never know about going away, bro. You say, yeah, go, yeah, go. And I say, all right, then watch and I'm not drive. So me come out and me cross road and park my car and travel with you. Because I never want to go nowhere. Ask my woman if I not tell her one night, say I don't want to go nowhere. I follow my blood clot energy. Because I have energy and one spirit, you know, bro. We're different, you know. And my energy tell me, say, no go nowhere, you know, bro. And my woman tell me, say, follow your spirit, you know, don't go. If you don't want to go, no go. And I still go because I don't tell the dog, so I roll with him. Because I remember now, I book for no show the dog, I say, yo, forward, man, I have a portal. And I text the dog, I say, right now, I'm there contemplating, you know, bro. Ask him, I say, I'm there contemplating, and the dog say, yo, forward, my youth. I have a message on my phone, that say, yo, forward my youth. And I say, alright, I forward, I come out of the crossroad and you pick me up. So I don't know, when I come here, so I chat off on a blood clot, mouth, but I miss salt up, man, and I make this and I make that, bro. Yeah? No one I say, I know what I do, yeah, brother. Tell me, I tell that bad man. On my side, licking an accident, you know. On my side, mash up, you know, bro, and my ribs fracture, you know. You see me come by every day, I chat about here, liberate about here, beg about here, where when the dog just crash the dog, say, go live, me tell you, say, no, sir. I him go live, bro. You feel like me love them, live business, when I trouble, and serious time. When I serious time, I depend on live business, I depend on this and that, bro. You see, nobody has a Candy and Shani and then girl, the bad man, if you say, yo, Jabass didn't like car, you know, check pan him, make sure saying good, bro. You know, man, I check pan me. When me ready to go on my yard, man, jumping on them blood clot car, man, if I say, brother, so how me I go portal down on my side? I have a link book and book, you say, yo, me care down, man, forward. No man never busy about me, no man, jumping off them car and I know how me I reach down, you know. Tell them that, you know. Oh. But with me, man. I mean, this number, but from a man, go on like they want to write me off, me go write them back off. Oh, sorry, write off, bro. Oh, write off. So if a man want to write me off, I write him back off. Because when I go jump on your live and I go say, oh, make me move my big belly blood clot and go. Because Rosealee sit down on live with me later night. And that been a talk, so when I say to come, like I say, I agree with it too. When I go say that, that means I agree with it too. And I say true. And if you look on your way there, so you look. You don't look no other's way. That means that what been said, you agree with it because you bring it back up and I say it too. So that means you agree with what them say. Why you never say, yo, John, I'm not busy with two of them, I two of them my friend, and them sit down on live one night time, I play a whole night. So I'm not busy with them. Why you never say that? Why you go say, me if you move, me build a clap, big belly and go. You have to say, yo, I'm not busy with two of them, I two of them always on live one night time, I two of them my friend, I'm not busy with them. That you have to say. You know, if you come here, I got blood class say, if you say big belly boy, Rosealee tampon like with that night, you know, for this thing. What you say that for, bro? If you say you're in a business with the two of you, bro, me over here on my life every day, people not pressure me and say, yo, jump on down your case, jump on candy them case. Is it me trouble them, bro? Me not even talk about them, bro. Cause you're my nigga and you're my sister, so I say, I ain't going to anything. I nah come over here and mix up their name, bro. You ever see me do that yet, bro? When they say this and that, I'm mad, this and that, and everybody come to my life when me a chat mix up. And I say, yo, what I'm to do in a case, what I'm to candy case. I say, me trouble them. Me not trouble them, bro. Me love them, bro. Me love them, bro. Me love them. Me no mention their name. Me no bring it in a mix up. Me no talk about them topic, bro. Cause me loyal to his system. Me say, alright, then I'm a dog and I'm a sister. Me no busy with them. Me no chat about for them thing. You see me chat about for them thing and me over here no time. And every time in my comment section full up, I say, yo, want to this a case, I want to that the case. You know, you hear me chat about it over here? Me not trouble them, bro. Make them do for them thing, bro. Make people where you and them friend bring it down. Me not bring it down. So all you have to sit down for your life now, say me feel more my blood clot and go. And we used to sit down with Rosealee at night time. Not Rosealee sit down with you at night time. What you imply? You imply fuckery, bro. You imply fuckery and it's just the truth. Me not expect nobody upon for your team to say you are true still. Me not expect them to say so, bro. But me I got express myself how me feel, bro. And I got say a long time I want this. Even by a long time I want this, bro. Charge me not afraid of no boy. Me no want no man, no obligation, brother. You see me, bro? TikTok, real life, bro. And I want someone to understand over here, so brother. TikTok, bro. People ever see me and say, yo, that, well, you know, I can see you act on TikTok. TikTok, bro. When me lock up this life, are different. Me, I go through a gate, yeah. TikTok, real life, bro. Me just come go fuck around and give me a blood clot, look at trouble and trouble, bro, on the internet, bro. In a real life, a different thing, bro. You see me? Me's a different man, bro. Me not love you over chatting, bro. Sometimes people see me and say, sometimes they see me and they want to go heal, but they don't want to go heal, bro. Because who they run me look mad, or for my face look mad. Me look cross, they don't want to go heal, bro. Any warrior they run me, brother, man, them look grimy, nobody don't want to come around me, bro. So sometimes I start going busy by myself, bro. Up to my dog, my customer, I say, but man, I want to take charge, you go so places, brother, by yourself, like, yeah, oh yes, man. Yeah, idiot, I saw my dog, my customer, I say, bro. I saw my people, my customer, I say, bad man. I say, I carry them certain places, brother, I know how your street set. Tell me, I tell you. You see me, bro, come in and want them room, brother, come in and them room, brother, nobody know want to call to me, nobody know want to chat to me, bro. You see me, I say, see me one cousin today, so see Shein, ask Shein. Up to last night, Shein come a club and see me at club. Ask Shein what me do. Me talk me say, boom and Shein look at me, so me give her one gram, I said so. And me go say, boy, me say, in kind of wonder what. And me go say, a twiggy finger, give him one big thumbs up. And he know say, me and him good. Me and every time in a chatting in a real life, bro. You see me, see how they can tell you, she up a club last night when me there. Up to Shein and said to me, say, how are you, dog? Come here time, boy, me brain dog, me brain story. I mean, that boy, I'm thinking, I'm brain, I'm overthinking, I'm brain, bro, rapid. Sometimes I think one bad man, and so whole heap of thing a trigger in my brain, so whole heap of thing around and down in the head top here. I'm just trying to just cushion it and calm me up, bro. And for go away, brother, and cut on a look at bad man, fuck you, bro. I'm not gonna get up and rise against people, bro, with some little things we don't know are real, bro. You understand me? I get locked up for sitting with me in a blood clot, though. Zane, yes. Why you add on panny? Why not call add on panny if I not call up different people name, bro? Not call up me look blood clot adopted sister name, bro. Not call up me look adopted blood clot sister name, bro. You see me I say, brother, when I come and make up some name, I call some people name, I not even know Pinky, Peter again. I not know them people, everyone never hear them before. Talk about where they have blood clot. Where they in the charge for talk about that, bro. Now come build up nothing upon it, bro. Truly say an all time thing and people are telling us to get something new. When I come with something new, want to make up, bro. You have to call people from community and people tell us, say, oh, your name Alex, me not hide it, bro. My name Alex. You have to tell people, say, oh, you thief and you all like bad man, them dumb the way I do things, them I want them a friend. And blah, 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 blah. Prove or not talk about, no? I can't prove or not talk about. I just come here and chat every day, bro. I just come here and play with one big piece of blood clot fire and not even know. And just come and start set up on yourself and no blood clot life, bro. On a idiot, brother. On no sense. On no sense, bro. I'm sorry for your bumbo clot, you big sour thinking, girl. I'm just sorry for you, girl. I tell you that, bro. Come here, have you as a blood clot, look a friend you would. So how many people them come and cuss me and I say, yo, top deal with him, brother. Can you realize every time when you troll him and I tell him saying fat or you laugh and chat with him, he might bring up back grape case and then sitting there, brother. Top play with him, brother, can you serious one bring it down. Enough time I go so boom and my blood clot go so boom. And I say, yo, make it tan, man. My mother want me, my man, my body want me. I say, make it tan, man. I saw TikTok all about trolling and mix up, make it tan. Regular. You see me, bro? I pity you not even know. You not even know you. You not even know, bro. Because I feel like you can't get me mad. You can't get me mad and upset, you know, bro. When I get who they run me mad. When I get who me associated with mad. When I get who me link with mad. When I get me mad. Because you can't make me mad. But when I get who they run me, when I make sure I say good, when I make them mad, when I make me mad. Biggie, that blood clot thinking girl. Tell you that. Because you can't jar me out. Because you're a waste blood clot girl. Tell you, you're not an ambition, bro. And that'll beat you, but then if you get so ambition, bro, and start elevate, bro. All them kind of you get our money, we are getting your little thing, put it to blood clot, you start one little business, bro. Start one little business, bro. Currency, body about me, dog. You see me, now poppy show, bro. Now I get to yourself in some real serious trouble, bro. Tell me, I tell you that. Real serious blood clot trouble, now I get to myself, you know. When trouble reach me, I know if you manage my trouble, you know. When trouble reach me, I know if you handle my trouble, I know how to get out of my blood clot trouble when it reach me. When badness trouble reach me, I know if you get out of it. And I know when it reach you, you can't get out of it, bro. And there's a lamb. And there's a little lamb. Tell me, I tell you that. Don't fabricate nothing and come and say you don't look a style. You see me? From the day I born, I never walk a obia yet. I never walk a blood clot obia yet. And anyway, blood clot church, I go and them keep fasting program and prayer. Yeah, them the thing them love you about. When missionary evangelists come together and say, then 3 days worth of blood clot fasting and prayer, and them the thing them interested in. So when they talk about church and this and work and case of fasting and prayer where God tell you about, and them the blood clot thing, they when me and my blood clot gun charge trouble. And them the thing they go sit down and lay down and ground and pray and talk to blood clot God, because them they are trouble. Them they are blood clot trouble. We don't know if we walk obviously me ring ya. No hole no in a blood clot it. No hole. No hole no in a me chain. Nothing. I mean, know, so when you do blood dance, they have a hole and blood clot. I mean, a friend there we involved in them blood clot thing there. We have been gathering on them. This we not believe in them thing there. We not believe in them. Enough boy, I say lay down on them back, spread out, head splash out with ring pan finger and chain. Enough boy when me know boy ya. Enough boy all about in a place where me know. Me know lay down on them back with the ring and lay down on them back with this. And God me deal with, bro. And God me deal with. So when I go to church, I fasting and then blood clotting the 3 days, 7 days fasting. I remember one time I look at me and tell me, say, me up on 40 days fasting. And I say, me, 40 days without food, 40 days just live in one place, so I can't manage that. I go up on 6 days fasting, 7 days fasting, I go to church, bro, and pray for things. And anything I pray for, I come to blood clot pass. And any trouble me, I pray about that, I'm sure I get deliverance. I no man. My mother pray, my day, my people, everybody. We don't know nothing about Obi and them blood clot, bro. Before I walk Obi upon your brother, I could deal with them myself. You hear that? About blood clot Obi. Fire upon Obi walker. Fire upon Obi walker. I never walk Obi yet. I see upon my life, I never walk Obi yet. Never yet walk Obi. Never. You have spiritual man out there where a prophet. And the Bible don't tell us, say physician is seek physician. If the Bible tell us seek physician, I don't think that illegal or that I will be working. So me go sit down and a man can tell me this did go on one time and I really look, me say, yes, it did go on for true. And he tell me, say, this I got happen, I'm looking at my life, me see it happen for true. Because I remember when me go down there already and the man tell me, say, me I go cross over one place with some whole heap of boy in a car. And people I go shoot up a car when I man I go get shot. And me go and me see, say, one of my youth them get shot. Me blood clot, no say, God blood clot real. So nobody can tell me about blood clot God and about profit and people who can believe a false profit and a real profit. So nobody can tell me them a thing there. They hear that? We've been through fire and flames, man. And we still there, so I trust in God and God make everything possible, bro. My prayer, my love prayer. No matter how sometimes I lay down and I reason with God till I Jabass sleep, I don't know when I Jabass sleep. I just lay down and set so, and I play my revival music. My revival music long, 20 odd minutes. I'm lay down and I reason with God and I chat with God, so bro. And bring no fall before him, bro. I'm watching and see him make no fall. When I rise up against him, I bring him before God and I see God make no fall. Who no blood clot fall, lose this, then lose that, or then stress out, or then mad, or then farm citizens and then go sit in there, brother, humble. Because sometimes I have to get humble. I chat to God like say, I'm a friend, me a reason in my room. Sometimes I don't know when I Jabass sleep. Sometimes I don't know when for me hide them like me just wake up in the morning and feel fresh like me just blood clot born. Like that is my blood clot obia. Prayer, me love prayer. I might not love read the Bible, but me love prayer. Me pray hard. If me have something to do, me pray about it, me sit down and me pray to God about it, bro. And no boy can, no man and no girl can judge me. I be no judge on me, bro. God have to judge me, bro, and God sit high and low, blood clot low. I know say feed them little thing with them are going with, bro. I know me. You hear that? God me deal with, bro. God me deal with. Nothing go through your face, you know, your time. I want to your twin, man. You know a thing, bro. I was born and growing up, my dog. And you know everything, you know, brother. You see me? Yeah, man. God on time, pound, man. But sometimes someone have to get some different fix up, you know? So I can understand myself, man. I realize, say, watch, no batty boy and deal with, you know? No batty man and deal with here. Sometimes someone have to know what I do. Sometimes I have to find in a place, because sometimes I step out in a place and I realize when I put myself in a dangerous trouble. Tell me, I'm telling you that. I'm not busy about nobody in a comment section and a cuss and a talk, bro. I'm not busy with nobody in a comment section and a talk, bro. Because you see, the way you put out there, your people and will love you gravitate to, you know, bro. Because me over here cuss you, me know not going to help cuss me. So when she over there and I cuss and the people and cuss me, bro, me not pray that, me not yet no now, no. Me not come about under, so I not really pay attention to who in the comment section. Me pay attention to who I call me name and me and them I go at it. You realize I just in the last half, me add in the box and I laugh. Me not do box and anything that with me alone a warrior. So when I go for you whole heap of people, me alone a warrior, you. You see me? Me alone a warrior, bro. Because me alone can't do it. Because me know where y'all talk about nothing no go so. Allegations them there, bro. So me not have to pay no man, bro. Tell me I tell you that. So I'll not team up and I go on with them look a team. I can't get me down, bro. And if I use a shoot for she, I don't feel like say me this I don't know I shoot for me, keep on no money, me good. I don't have to gift me, bro. One gift a ban, one gift a gone, one ban. You understand me, bro? I regular me there, so I say me gift a lion. Interstellar, this and that, you wrong. Me send the people and go shoot for you, bro. Me come for your life, me send a rocket, me send a 2 lion, me saw me a deal with you. You ever do that yet, bro? But true man come here and run like a joke with you, bro, and I troll you, bro. And when me a troll you, bro, that's how simple like a minor thing then, bro. Me a troll you, bro, because trolling a go on. And you use so everything good with the trolling, bro. But now TC3 alright, then me a whole heap of views and I mean FYP and I mean everything I go on. And we are running thing. And we are have a look of fun. You start have problem with it. You used to relax with it, bro. You used to troll me back. You used to cuss me. You used to call me batty man, suck pussy, thief, scammer, grape. Me no cuss you. Me take everything. So why when me tell you say you're back big like TV and fridge and you're big and you're sour, why make you have vex? Me no big to me belly big. Me belly big. So why you thought have a problem with it now? I me used to tell you a long time I never used to cuss. When the people them come out and say me scam, you run them and you tell them so no blood clot go so. Cause me show you some things and make you see some things and say watch you know. Now listen to a girl, a liar girl I tell. I me show you everything. And you defend anything. So why you turn your mouth now? You know, obvious say yo, you just your enemy. You know, obvious say yo, your enemy now, bro. Remember you did I say nothing no go so blah 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 and run the people. So all of a sudden you switch from say that now and start say me do it. You just show you say I true the argument make you start do that. Nothing no go so. You just start do all the way you do now because we in an argument, bro. And me still not go extend on this. I mean this I tell you say you're big and you think and you're sour. And that's a fact. You see me? Me big and fat too, but me not sour like you. You're well sour, but me big and fat. But me not fat when me fat. Me can't bed down and see me old. You see me I say? Me not come over here so I tell lie pan you and I add people in a box to tell lie. Me not do that, bro. Me can't do it, bro. Me can't go up on my phone and line up so friend of me have and say, yo, come over there, man, and say, yo, me come from Seaview, you know. Yeah, man, me come from Seaview, man. Yeah, man, then they rape him, and then they rape him, look at that, man, I hide him, I down, and they kill them. Me can't make people cause that, you know, bro. And me can't come and say, yo, GX fuck one look boy around the road, man, and then they want to kill him, you know. Blah, blah, blah. Me can't say that, bro. Me can't get people to cause certain things, too, bro. Me can't make people call tell lie on you, bro. Me can't make people call jaw allegation, bro. And me not do that, bro. Because me not work certain way, bro. You think me talk, I saw you go. Me not do that, brother. What you do now, me can do it too. But me not come as a call do that, bro. You see me? Me not afraid that you know no mouth, bro. Mouth, bro. You chat to no mouth and that hate that, bro. You not make nobody hate me, bro. Anybody hate me, bro. Stupid people, I'm not busy with them, bro. But you can't make me hate nobody, bro. You always a try to make me hate people. You always a try to do it. I regularly you call me up on my phone and tell me, say, yo, no, play no match. When me I go in on my day game, you cuss about my day game. I'm not going to no blood clot day game. And me I play right through. We talk about day game. I not play on day game with them. I not mix with them. If I'm going to day game, you cuss me and have me up. If I not play me again, I just day game alone. I play. If people are link me and say, yo, we are invited to a day game match. Me and them have no problem. I go play a day game with them. I make day game nice and make it up fun. Yeah, cuss me about it, I style me about it. Them not look on you. Them not look on you. If you fall off, they not go look on you. I style them, I go style them. Them not play nobody when I hot. Them not play nobody when I no views. And my blood clot still go play and me still have fun, bro. You see me they pan diss none of them unless they fuck with me, bro. Me not diss them, bro, unless they fuck with me, bro. Me come around with my people, them. Me come around with my people, them, and laugh and chat with them, bro. Cause me and them apart. Me and everybody apart. I know you come here and talk about me running upon people, and me brother more while them a call me, I not go, bro. Me stay in my box and laugh and chat with my people, bro. Me come on live a couple days pan straight. No match, upper one. You know, like see that. You're there for your live attack, but you not get number one yesterday. I want it again now. What kind of argument them there, bro? If you're happy for me, bro, and you know you always get to look 100, 150, 50 them. If you're happy for me, bro, you're gonna say, you know, one yesterday, you want one again. And you start cuss me because you see me up a one. You're there for 3 and me pass the kind of one, you cuss me. 2 me pass you. I crave, so you want one again. I know me alone do it to everybody where you see. If you see Damien, I go up one, you cuss Damien. He come up and I rank in and come go and meet him, run down. Watch she run come up. Watch Damien, she take time crowd come up. When Damien pass, be a cussing. More than me, I tell you, say, yo, easy yourself, man. I shoot, I do it, and you do it. You can't stop shoot for people and bring them up, bro. That bad mind the people in the app, bro. And you're looking at yourself and tell yourself, say, I don't know, bad mind. A bad mind in the name, bro. You might not call it bad mind, but a bad mind, a dirty mind, a dirty ways. Your mind dirty against people. Happy for people, bro. Because when I your time, bro. How much time it is, I'm saying people don't go give you, send lions and Here people never give you gift me and naturally then go do it and you send them in. If you send them go gift me then now come you know. Cause you know cause you start call him and you start tell him man boy. I can't feel me chef over this, I can't feel me before over this, I do that. And I strength him and I give him. When me tell you go and load him and you start cuss. You know nobody know where you not know by your bro. People the money they spend how they want to spend it. People are giving what you know, yeah cost them. People come in your box with big badge. You not give woman. Me no want nobody no big badge come over here and give me no go. People supposed to can come in your life, go watch your life without gift you. People supposed to can come in your life, gifters supposed to can come in your life, whether they badge little or big, come watch you without have to gift you, bro. This is a free program. And I pay if you go watch nobody live. So anybody supposed to can come in your life with big badge and have to send you a thing and then obligated to you, bro. And you turn on your life so they're obligated to watch it. Want people, if you pay if you go watch you, do subscription. Do subscription then after that you do. Don't do regular live. Because when you do regular live, that means anybody can come in here. Anybody at all. Broke people, rich people, Batman, everybody can come in here live, bro. See what the man come over here give me them and say a Batman in be. Maybe it's my Batman. The live is open. Anybody can come in the live. When me the customer say don't give me. Me the catch him pan batty. Me see my fuck nobody. Me the see my fuck nobody. Batman no Batman. Me never see my fuck nobody. I'm going just go customer and say more from where not give me nothing. Me know candy a Batman, Tiki a Batman. Cause they come and they make it be known. But all me I gonna know one gifter when I go live or you know do nothing come watch a shoot and me I go turn around cuss him say my Batman. Me see him pan batty. In the come I go tell him say my Batman. Yeah? Me can't go cuss people and tell them say don't forgive me. Yeah, I go make remarks say man a Batman a shoot a Batman a this bro. Maybe say if my Batman bro my business that. Me didn't know say my Batman. And if my Batman so what? Me busy with him. I know my Batman lay down pan bro. Can a boy can lay down pan my Batty? For love people bro, nobody not obligated to people bro. People come over the bad man, you tell you say me a share life to people. Your life to your persons who supports you. And me always a share my life, especially when the match hot and me see I go 6 me. Me start share up my life. If my man not busy, me call him. If I have a friend when not busy, me call him and I say, yo, go broke a 6 for me now. Because we're in the momentum, in the moment. Sharing your life shouldn't be a problem to nobody. Because TikTok give the option to share it. Say, if I share my life, I'm supposed to share my life. I'm supposed to share my life. How about you so you don't have nobody to call, bro? You're not calling for go shoot. You're calling for beg them for beg them cash up on them thing there. You're not calling for go shoot. Me I beg them for shoot. Me not beg them nothing for people and them thing there, bro. Nobody not obligated to give, bro. I share my life to one gift and then don't come, me no vex. When you share life to gift and then don't come, you vex. Miss me there for your life already and see people are shoot for somebody over on next side. And you over that about, you come in my life, but you're not shoot for me, you're going to shoot for different people. Now come back in my life, I'm going to block you. I'm dead stand serious, I'm going to block you. For what? What you do that for? What you going to block them because they must support somebody for? You know, wait upon your time. When your time come, if you get a blessing, you get a blessing, bro. When your time come, you get a blessing, bro. Johnny come from me never send like a ras, you cuss Johnny and you go on with yourself. I'm going to say, Johnny, send him one too. And Johnny come and send him one lion. Right away, oh, I'm sorry. Oh God, me shame. Big up yourself, Johnny, a good girl, and you just did that cuss the girl. The people ready for my life, I'm telling you, come on, you send one lion too. I'm telling her, I'm not me and I say, yeah. And you just did that cuss the blood clot girl, true she a give me. And when she go send you one, no, you stop cuss her. You're a hypocrite. You're a dirty crab in a bar, you're a bad mind. Because you cuss her because she not give you, when she give you a friend her. So you're licky. He's a fucking user and I look a styler. Whole part time I play, I say me give her the call give you, bro. Whole heap of blood clot, you never do that yet. Never. Ever do that yet. I tell the people and say, over Rosealee said, go ahead, me catch your roses them. No. Your mind bad. You have bad mind, I just the truth. I don't know, like nobody I tell, bro. Your mind bad, bro. You're not happy for nobody way say elevate, bro. Popularity is not success, bro. Viewers and blood clot followers is not success. Learn that. Put things to good use and have something where you can rely upon daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. Sansi, big up yourself, my cousin, man. You see, bro, if people come over here at daytime and they not give me nothing, bro, I'm still good. I'm still a laugh and chat with them, bro. Enough people me know where blood clot and follow me when argument they come out the first time and tap give me and then come back or follow me and start giving back, bro. What me I go do about that? I feel them opinion, bro. You think me can kill people for and follow me and now and give me? Me can't kill people for that. No time. Me can't kill people for that, bro. Everybody have them opinion. Everybody have them life, bro. Everybody have them decision what they want to make, bro. So if you don't want to get up and say, I don't want to rise against me, bro, I don't want oh, Rose, I'm a friend, man, so I have to back Rose. And that me see no fan of the Gene Blitz, and the whole and that me soon I do, bro. Me not come as a come call this, you know. Me a this, you know, for bro. Me a not eat that, bro. Me a not fool, bro. Me know exactly what I do, you know. Me know exactly what I do, bro, but it nah work. I tell you that there. TikTok lie, I know exactly what I do, it nah work, bro. True, me come over here and tell you, yo, stop bring down Apple, stop bring down the woman, stop bring down Miss Triple, go away, all on that woman. When I cuss the woman, I bring them down about this and blood clot that far. And the whole on used to be bench and blood clot batty. That don't not like. Cause me go tell son of a go away and come off a woman blood clot name. Cause a woman used to feed your girl. He gifted them feed the whole away over here. Could have one Rosealee. Then feed because we can cash out and go buy a little something now. So why when time things go wrong now, classy gift to them and behave with the gift to them like, you know, ungrateful bumblehole. You talk boy, you boss me. And when me they fall off, I never fall off yet over here. Never yet fall off over here yet. And me come down and go about my blood clot business. And when time me go away first time, afterwards argument come up. And when me go away again, afterwards argument come up. The argument never over here while my blood clot there. None never bring me down yet. Me never yet fall off yet. Never. And me go away and go on business. We going to do better blood clot things. Because me a whole lot of different things can do. Me never yet fall out. They're going to say, you sit down and play me and build me up. Build up your blood clot. You sit down and play me because me have jokes, me have chemistry, and the people that love laugh and chat and we can idle and gimmicks. And it you know, boring when they play with me. So that's why I not sit down with me and play with me. Scream record help me, build me. Scream record where people can watch it on FYP and see me and say, boy, I get funny, you can laughing. Pepper sauce, J Wallace, Black. Them people that Elohim, them people that bro, them people that help build me bro, the rest of screen recording page them. And them build me bro, when me give me joke, them and laugh and chat, and people miss the live, them can go back, go watch it, and say, blood clot boy, I give me some joke and they laugh, and they say, me follow him and they go search me and follow me. And that, no, build me, no, give me no strength. You realize, say, my page miss now, me all not text me, I tell me, come live, we don't know, come live, we don't get back the followers. The first time, the second time, I hope a time I get banned. I'm a Billy back by myself, bro. I don't want to take it, tell me, because I don't want to turn. Me and my cloud from YouTube's days when nothing over here, nobody. When me come over here, I tell you who me come here because see 6K TV and the dog do good. Cutty Line, the dog do good. Alex that our team believe him a do good. Maya Slays him a do good. Rochelle, where you see the bro G, that I agree with the fitness thing and she a do good. All of them long time people we come across bro, them a do good and you know mix up and bagger bro. I be a new people them come here, bro with them fuck with like big stinking Rosealee. You know, go back go watch Scream record, bro. I think me just come there long before hold on over there. We knew hold on from Rosealee go right up me there long before no. Live a number one. Them time nobody now cuss about number one ranking. A man rather say, yo, big number one this week, no me dog. I'm just say, alright, go on and lock off my ranking. Them time no bad man over here about no lock off, but no gift and them blood clot, bro. Over here nice. Whole are we a friend? Who are rank for 1 and 2 and 3? Whole are we a play a match together? And I laugh and chat. Nobody not kill nobody, bad man, nobody bro over here, so. Tell me, I tell you not that. I'm a big gift over a long time. Me a page where they are 34. Me a page where they are 29. Me a page where they are 35. Support a lot of people, bro. Lion like a ras, me say in the universe. All the people them can tell you. Me there a long time. Long time I don't come here and come chat off on a blood clot mouth. And I go call up Gold God name, but and that's why Gold God vex with me and Ray. Gold God no vex with me, no work. Cause me there blood clot jail and my money reach him. And me tell him if it goes to boom and make it reach him, be mother, some be mother can go deed and look at him before time cut. And the man sit down upon life whole day bad man like you know care say me there blood clot jail and I want the money. If you go do it me I do and me make him money reach him. Hey, leave out of me blood clot yard, boy. I'm not frightened of me big pussy clot cat. I saw come in there fall off and me crash out and tell him me mind and rush him and diss him. And dog I say me I go like he obligated to me must fuck off and deal with him. I saw me and the man begs and kick off. Me never kick off because of this. Me never only argue about me I left one about the island and blood clot. But I say bad man, any life I go try money some big man I can get in no kind of time I go. I saw come me and him kick off and me this and I say bad man I go like a batty man charge. Come tell me do say brother. I'm want me think for the thing before time cut off and before the police left and you still have whole up my blood clot thing. And man I say me I go like me you obligated to me blah blah blah. Love dog and go. Go me here, dog, and left it. You hear that? I'm a hold me corner, bro. Cause if I see me in that sort of situation and my son a deal man so we bro, me no want no friend from you. Me no want no friend from you, bro. Cause for your time I think I'm not a friend from you, bro. She bother defending over there. Brother, I feel like people in my idiot, bro. People in my idiot, bro. A bad man, they could do thinking girl have in him, bro. Bro, me never beg your money, bro. Cause me there on the say me angle money, dog. You see me living I give me angle money. When me go on road and me I spend like that, so come, ask him. And when I bring up that kind of dog, now trouble me, I'm not trouble the dog. Him not trouble me, and me not blood clot trouble him. So when they come and call up a man name, tap call up a blood clot man name, and stop bring and pull people in an argument. Oh, and I hold up a LBDGQ people, me say I defend me. Hey, man, let me keep people feel like me a batty man too, you know. Man, let me keep people feel like me a batty man, you know. But do or not do still, because I know me I'm a batty man. But do or not do. Do or not do. I bring no bad man a Swiss party. I be a punk then par around with man. Anytime none of see me a road. I see me with my little link them. Go fuck up and no see. You see what they make a blood clot make a Act 6. What they make a make a? I want to look fucker going up there. He whole shift dark up the Act 6K TV. And Lee and Bailey them. Ask them. He whole shift dark up that me have to say bad man. No. A man in there go yes a Jabass carrying blood clot criminal friend then come up here. No. I mean I hold it down. Ask them. When they keep a TikTok party with what's she name? You little girl where sing say Bangale in my donut. Bangale. Ask them. He whole shift dark up there. Oh, so I see some man that go around with this all like a fuckery. And so you that people. Laugh, bro. Tell them that, bro. Nah, baby over here, so, bro. tell them that. Gonna no real. I don't go on like, bro. Me ever run joke with you, girl. Me ever troll you. You ever troll me back. So why all of a sudden when me start going on me and the thing hot, bro, you start have problem, bro. I'm listening on the talk, you know, bro. Me listen on the talk. Here for the argument, no. True, I get views over there, man, and over there mix up in that admin. Bro, me I deal with my program when me launch. Launch one program to know. Everybody knows say me come here daytime and I like play match. At night time, I go play a little match and fuck around. Yeah? You know, like see people do better on the youth. And I will make you be cruff in the youth. Me used to be cruff one time, you know. Me used to spend the money in that Airbnb and blood clot big rental. I go a party 3-4 back like any see. Me I go a road, me I buy all 5, 6, 7 different suit. If you go pick from. Me used to spend money, bro. Me a girl look good and me don't know a girl from me. I give girl 50, 70,000. And me don't know a girl. Me broke girl bad. Me that eat that, me that cruft to spend and mash up money, bro. What do you say mother look at me and tell me say millions where you handle and the millions where you pull down and the millions where me know you make. You should have reached further. So none of no look a pussy clay idiot boy. None of no. Two blood clot bad mind. And a whole heap of money you make on the app, because every minute you up there, number one you do so, bro. You make $1,000 a day every blood clot day. What you take $1,000 do? $150,000 Jamaican dollar. What you take it do? Gamble, 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 smoke, special, special, gamble, gamble, smoke, smoke, special, special, gamble, gamble, smoke, smoke, special, special. That's all your blood clot do. I take him in blood clot, Jace. For Jace go look blood clot work, you work this Batman blood clot, yo. See them now every day depend on girl money. I say girl take step of blood. No girl with money can't take step of me mad. Suck out to the mama, some deal with you now, cuss and deal with you now. You think a girl can, no rich girl can clone me? And you have money can blood clot give me and do things to me. Me I go blood clot and make a girl do certain things to me, bro. But I told me now I'm big old blood clot kill is send up boy. Jax! Hey, one macaroni I want Lucas here. Then you have a blood clot go. And when you want more again, Jax, I have a blood clot as a big man in a blood clot house. Suck out your mama and go, girl. You to blood clot bad mind. You don't live no life, bro, na cruff. Na cruff, and none of you can tell me, bro. Because you half already know where you saw. Oh. Tell you what she bad over there, I say. You don't go on over she bad there, go full up over there. Go on over there, go full up over blood clot there.
You're too wicked, Rosealee.
You don't go on over she bad there, go full up over blood clot there.
But I say, so when you mix them up, you keep church by you. Anytime you mix it, them after keep church by you.
How you say mix it? How you say mix it? How you blood clot say mix it?
The only body that can come talk about Congo worm and eat it. Yeah? Well, it's a set of wicked, dirty, drunk crowd. Non-progressive element. They say the only set of ambitious people that are not motivated. The only set of ambitious people that are on the internet who are not motivated to get up and seek success. And the only set them, they ever say them have the most to talk about people. Who the girl this and the girl that, the girl that have nothing. You are foreign, you should have lived better. No, you don't have to be a foreign to live good. That's one of the things what you need to expel out of the head. You don't have to be a foreign to live good. I don't know which one I want to put a really class mean.
The people don't give him liar money what they have to go sue the police then. When do they take you go gamble it and drink rum?
But argue with people global. Which one I want to can really sit down and qualify myself and say XYZ, move for me son. Rosealee have a fridge. We're asking if you neighbor, because we never hear the door a slam and we know pick the slam fridge door and they work on the magnet. We never hear a fridge a slam in a Rosealee or somebody correct me on the live, you know. Come in a dip on this shit. So somebody jump up and correct me now on the live. Whoever hear a fridge door a slam in a Rosealee house, we never hear Rosealee say open the fridge yet. We never hear Rosealee say open the fridge. And you sit up on the app and class Jabass. Yeah, class Jabass and I say this. And you people that don't know what is refrigerator. The basic thing of life. You people them really not, you people them a camp out, man. Those are picnic children.
Me never hear toilet flush in our house neither. No go over there go come and say toilet now flush. We no go over Shiba there go come and say toilet now flush neither. Go over there. Say toilet now flush.
Those are picnic kids. The children them camping out. I don't like it.
There's no toilet now flush over there neither. Yeah, Jordan commented. Toilet now flush neither. No toilet now flush. No door now lock. Nothing. No microwave sound now make. Suck out the mama Nick. Your mama big and done out, girl. Suck out the mama wall of black hair from my life. Big stinking girl. Suck out the mama, girl. You ever see Rosa drink out of one cup yet?
You don't eat now fridge.
Not even cup you have. You ever drink out of one cup yet?
Your toilet not even flush.
Good. Not toilet now flush.
The Rosalie let people in the bathroom all.
And your door one aisle. I never see you go in the kitchen yet.
Me and you reason over something chili out of your refrigeration.
Suck out more big stinking girl. You think.
Yeah. Me not ask you that as some know Rosalie can be good. Me they come tell me say she be out of pan. But I never believe what me I say. And then when want to talk to me, let me tell you something, nothing wrong with being out of pan, you know. That if water gone. But that modern time now, everyone never used to have shower. Me not ask you know. If water never used to drip out of your pipe, it can drip out of the hydrant in front of your gate. Me not ask you no my love. So in that today, me not think people should really panic. Me not ask you, time to civilize. Feeding in the ghetto now running water. Me not ask you. Me not ask you.
You never seen go in the kitchen yet. That mother kitchen in can go around there. And one room in get half each up in the sun. In bed and shit and piss one place.
Exactly, man. Remember say tank in my yard, in a water tank in my yard.
When the water gone off in me yard, I have to know sometimes I tank automatically come on.
Shooting with me. So that's what I said. Yeah, but we're gonna remember that if I even peep the water people out of the lower pipe, in the bathroom, I can sit and watch my ears. If my face not wash my eye, I have to wash.